Hello, fellow viewers of YouTube. Welcome back to PFS Films. I am Kena. I am here to tell you that PFS will be giving away data plan and credit to 23 lucky viewers. First place, a 28 data package plan as with the Digicel R-Flow. Second place was 7-day data plan with the Digicel R-Flow. Third place, 3-day data plan with a Digicel R-Flow. The next 20 of you will be receiving $200 credit with a Digicel R-Flow. How to win this is to watch this movie to the end for the numbers to enter. The numbers are placed right throughout this movie. After finishing, make sure you send the 15-digit code to this number for a ticket number. Wait there, done this so. You can enter for more ticket by sharing the movie to 3 different persons for more chances to win. Each 3 persons that you share to is another ticket. The draw will be live at 9 a.m. on May 31st. And to claim your winnings, you will get a call on WhatsApp only. No straight call, guys. If you miss the call, PFS will choose another winner, and the closure for tickets will be on the 30th of May at 11 p.m. Remember, guys, don't skip the video, because I know say supposed to follow the video skip and go so 10 seconds gone and the number jump past and when we go do. Don't skip the video, just watch it.
Come climb a tree and me if you climb a tree and you just want to turn up there and watch me and then expect me to come cook you. Watch me are you?
Brother, don't go up in a tree, you turn a gun and pick you after them.
Yo, you want dirty your man that this time I said don't go up in a tree and you don't want to go up in there? You know what I say?
Can't climb man, a long time put on climbing.
Oh.
So climb a tree, brother, use it.
Like, yep.
You don't creep up yourself.
Yep, you don't climb.
Why, you're not here. You see, you can't go up there. Come down, man.
Go ahead, me.
You want me to tell you, if you just listen. If you listen, man. Come.
You see, you can't go up in a tree,
Come to climb a tree. You can't climb tree.
You know what I gotta do, you know? I know what I gotta do. My mother did tell me, say, you know, don't take up no man we can't do no yard work. Imagine. Me not look how time hard. I want pound of saltfish me could afford. And I say, me I make you share between me and you. I say, I want some ackee, right? And you cook, you didn't have the audacity to come out and do come look so ackee for me. Me in there, and I tell you enough from morning say, I want some ackee. I know you can't get the ackee them can't give me. I tell you say, I want some apple. I know I can't get the apple them.
I tell you something, I go get them, brother. If I so busy, mother, I get them.
Oh, so you wait till ackee season done and apple season done. You can't give me?
No. I go get them, man. I tell you something, I get them, I get them.
Go on, reason go see if you can juke out 2 more ackee can't give me, man.
See the one you saw too, you know, see the one you saw too.
You say you work list and they say you want to go get ackee from?
No, I'm going to use the kick, man. I use the kick. But them they far up.
You will never ship me shit in a churchyard or make curse and follow me so.
They far up, man.
So you can't climb it, you look like you're strong.
Can't climb. Really high.
Now, Jean, look here. This I can't share for me. Be tired. Almost a dozen ackee me just pick. Right? And see the half of them no good, me have to dash out some of them. Because I bought them out them.
See right one then. See up your person.
It's better than this man. I am ackee chopping on my head, you know.
No.
Tell about them young man nowadays. They just workless so. They want to come here place come catch. Rent free. Niam rent free.
Don't know, I'm not the picky ackee them, brother.
Yeah, chat make everybody here because it burn me.
Don't want everybody in the lane.
Picky ackee them so me can get for cook, man. You chat too much. You chat, you just a chat so.
Brother.
This is the one my boy, you know. Come on, we go inside.
Tired.
I just cheap and you pick me and pick about half a dozen. Eh?
What's that?
Sister did really want boy, you say you're lazy.
I'm not lazy, I do hard work, you know, but it's hard work. Not your job that to do hard work as a woman.
So I'm my job to pick ackee? Talk it out. I'm my job, me come out, me rake up, me clean inside, me clean out the door, me cook, me wash, me do everything. And me tell you say, picky ackee them so me can pick out the bone out of the saltfish. So me didn't even get to boil the saltfish.
Can't put it on the
Somebody
fire
can pick, me should have picked it.
Can't put it on the fire for you. You can't done cussing a ackee then pick you know. Yeah.
Come in. Say me rough you up now, you talk about you put on salt. You don't put on man.
Don't put on, man.
I can't listen me in here out. Me sit there. Yeah, we cook last night and we have to come out to flip them and me have to go to the thing.
I'm going to Lala. Brother, oh God, you good?
Yeah, man.
Girl, come here. Come here and talk to you. You have to carry for a minute. Here, come here and talk to you, sis.
Alright.
Want to live loving you and live loving bad.
Yes, today we not just say cook me and cook. How I know?
Girl, you don't like the boy then. Don't ever argue and just like miserable in your house and the neighbor then. Another day, remember Nosy Rosie. I come see me and start about how big things are going to because she hear no business, everybody hear no business and you can't live so in a place, let you boy. You know feel.
You know, see him make me feel load up my mouth because he not help me do as much what I want to do in the yard.
Me not like when you do, let him.
He is a good boy. Please, me not feel like bed or something, and that's why me not really.
But that's not enough. Social loving. The boy even have no money. Social loving alone can't work. That can't buy it. That can't. But that can't go.
You want and two grown man work cause now when he work, he can money come give me that rate with him. But he lazy, sis. He boy in a bed all day cock up and play a video game.
Be my merman.
Be a PUBG. I work hard. Me the one man.
Don't take him.
Sis, I be a PUBG the boy I play. See they I feel me phone him I play. He and Panty no kind of have no phone. See they I want to friend me call me see. Me can't have no time to use my phone.
My spirit not take
right?
you much back in years. You say, look, I like you.
From
My spirit
when
not take
in
you.
phone they are phone shop you know. And he did what he say. make him go look film phone and fix him phone. He don't have nothing
Not
good.
like him not have no ambition. Good in a little man on can't help it.
But me can't better because remember say you know I'm
You look good in a girl.
Me
You
know.
look good. You can't get any man you want. Why you
Remember
accept
say
it for
I'm me
that?
alone there, you know, me not have no man, I'm me alone in a house.
Excuses. That's all me hear. Too much excuses. Left you look at the boy and find one better man. No, I like him.
Me no
And
want
also
go,
we
what you know,
broke.
me no want go pick up, like say, a better man, but no, say, every man a dog, you know. So,
Yeah, but at least one dog with
but baby, me
ambition.
go left him and go pick up somebody with words. Suppose me go pick up a man coming at my house and not give me no money, see, and won't be a ganja.
You will know if you have money in your ambition, because you don't eat that.
Because,
this
this is you tell me, as Mr. says, every money we bring, he can give me, and me know, me can honest with him, say, he don't have no other girl. Right?
Me don't plead with
First of all, I'm not saying no phone, you know. So even if you go, I must get shop him and he can't go get shop car. And you're saying the whole digger. You understand me?
Sis?
So me
No,
trust
we
him
don't
like
know.
that, but me and fault here, what me have with him sis.
Argument, we don't know.
I just say cussing him and make me
But
cuss
that's
too much.
small.
And you see,
Oh,
you say,
nigga,
sit
no,
there
but
here.
yeah, business,
And me
yeah.
don't like a girl there. You see, if he ever count me name and road, me have to go strangle him. Because I want to know where my cocking ears over me yard from.
No, me say stop. Well, if you not go stay together.
Me say me not like people in a man. If you say here I'm blind, see and deaf.
Come on, let the girl live. Come on.
Okay. See sometimes me and that woman not chatting now. Some of you know where my king is over me yard from.
That's nosy.
No, sir, I'm not chatting now.
Oh God, brother-in-law, you're my best brother-in-law. You don't like that. So go and cook some food, come on, some food. So me tell you come so girl.
Me like how your arms up and pat him up, you know, do that man and me alone for the next day.
You're my best brother-in-law.
No, sir.
Nobody know what
I'm
to
not
do.
gonna be.
You put on the selfish end?
Yeah, man. Not tell you. It happens enough.
You say me don't know want some people, you know. They just can't keep they look some people they just have my people business and their business are spoiling. Me say me need you have to behave yourself, you know, and stop make me and your cuss, you understand me?
Yeah.
Because you don't look good, right?
Right.
And if you do more things,
I work for him and I work for him. I want to hold for things I want.
because people are carry my name and road now. Maybe my very name spread.
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Where's mommy? Come here. Chosen.
Yeah.
Come here, please.
Let's see. I look so for time. Oh my God.
I want chairs now. I'm gonna walk on.
No time I need chair. Something wrong, man. What's going?
Which part of me live with my mom? They rode me off a room just a while ago.
For
Because the relationship too toxic. Look here, imagine how I would have feel.
Knowing baby, dirty mama. Dirty, come this way. Dirty.
When did I just go to her eye? Come, baby.
No.
Look here. As me there say no.
Come, mama. Come, baby. No, you're gonna hurt your arm. Come. As I did, I said, friend.
And me there say no. Imagine they know a relationship and your partner, everywhere you go, I him that. Maybe like everywhere you go, me in the bathroom a bed. Me a sing, me look so. Me and the man here make fur through the window. The man say if a lizard will jump or crawl on the window side, my shut off that.
No,
The man have a man. The man threaten me, everything. Me there work. The man there work with me same way. Out of those stuff like my security guard. Me a go in a taxi, the man not taxi. Other day me a go in a one taxi, right? The man say, me not have to touch a mommy baby girl. Other day me a go in a one taxi, the man say, pretty girl, you go my way? I'm going to answer the man and say,
Jesus,
yes,
can
sir.
never do it for no.
Hey, me say the man go over there and the man give man $2. So,
One life on the right.
look here.
No, okay, this
The man give man a box, a hospital. The man end up.
Oh God.
I'm every spending how much money.
Oh God, Anna.
much money me have to spend?
So you can stay in this relationship with
You can
Brittany?
say I run my own way. I know what else to do now.
Brittany, me your friend, but you can't stay with nobody. Come kill you, my Brittany, you know.
Nobody now kill your pit. Me no know where to go.
Brittany, you can't stay until you get yourself together. I can't do bad still, because I'm a good friend, but do, I make him know, no answer and I call them.
Me no answer
And
call and make sure so me block your number.
No want to me, you stay on the low key, and look what thing you want, you go get it, and you just stay low key until the start out come. No want.
Me never know somebody end up in this situation, yeah. You're really sticky, me not tell no
But it's not come
lie.
like you love him, man, no girl.
No, me love him, but he too clingy. Everywhere me there, man, then the man too jealous again. One man can't so jealous.
That's not like prison, girl.
One man can't. Every time say, yo, my cousin that day. No, your mom, this, that.
I mean, you can't love friend nobody. You
You
can't
can't
have
have no friend.
That's
Yeah,
not like strictly man government.
if our family come now, if my brother, in a believe say my brother. One time my mother say, she brother man, in front of their face he laugh and say, yeah man, but behind back, you know hear, you know man know that the man there chat about.
Girl, that sound like no one narcissist. Me I tell you, like a narcissistic behavior. Me I tell you.
The man there
Then the
no.
pattern they sound like me I tell you, is a mad somebody in a clean clothes.
You see one time I did just meet the man, he was so perfect. He
They
act like no,
lady.
now go bother him. You see, as soon as he reach 1 month ago and 2 months, everything change. Everything change.
And then time there, but I try you catch feelings.
Look how he say love blinding and no lie. Love blind. I go through you with me, I can't go through you again.
I'm not sorry for you.
No, you're sorry for me?
Tell her now, what you know?
Easy at all.
Just go and balance out here, Brittany, until you get yourself level.
I don't want to stay up on the front too long. Come
Come
here.
on, go in. Come. Even me love. Nobody come kill Nana. Mad people not clean clothes, Nana. It's sad. Come, Brittany. Sis. Come here, I'm introduced to my friend. I'm asking about my best friend, Brittany, from school days. Yeah. Brittany, sis, Brittany. I'm black with the fear of a while because Brittany has got through a rough patch right now and she just wants to stay until she, balance out.
Come here. You can't sit down all there, so. I'm gonna tell me this stuff.
Girl, just come. I tell you the man will beat her up and stalk her and do like that. I think between me.
You know, she had to have so much passion as me.
She can sleep with me and Nana.
Okay. You really went too much for money and one almost attention today. You know, really trust
Yeah, I know. But I'm good girl. I see me for a long time.
You don't have to say that because, look here, no, you don't have to chat about you not trust woman, road your man. Me different. Me just run from a relationship and me not go jump in the next one, don't do that.
Okay.
Me not go come out of frying pan and jump in a fire. Me run from my man, much as you go pick up somebody else's man, me not do that.
She not do that, sis.
Me
A
not
good
stay
girl.
so.
Take your sister with you. A good girl. A long time me and her friend. She was
Let
doing
us say something because you know you know I like that.
I saw my sister stay.
But you can't stay here, you can't stay in our room.
But I will look at the look at when I see him on the right, me I walk on the left and me I lap the eye.
I'm gonna go. What I should do because she's not interested. Oh God, it's everything good. Come here, come and show you the room.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I've come here, I had been a friend for years. Me have come here, and you never come here, did.
Listen, man, where they are, every day, I see something over and over. I mean, cook, clean, wash, do everything. I just stay behind me like say, I'm mock me.
No.
You just stand up here like say, a statue, just watch me so. Before I say, B, you want a helping hand or something? Before look at the yard one wake up. Me tired. You know, so I'm not going to work with this. Me not going to work with this.
So if you have a problem, you can make your sister cook for you.
I mean, my big sister cook,
I mean, we can have to cheat.
Other man want to cook for you,
No, I don't want to cook for me.
Before I say we can go to a restaurant, go eat out or something. You have that moment, my sister cook for me.
And they have to wait. They have to cook and then they cook.
You know, so I don't trust your own sister. Who so like when can new girl come here, me don't trust you.
I'm not good with this.
Yes, where you make your mouth say?
You won't not say nothing.
What you mean?
Brother, you know me nothing, brother. You just say she can't cook.
Oh, so you eat for already?
No, we don't eat for her yet.
So when how you know that she can cook? How you know that?
You know, you
And how you know that she can cook?
if you can cook so good, why she can't cook?
Me and she not have the same mother and father, it's just the same father. Eh?
Yeah.
How you know say she can cook? My Miami came out say, you know? My Miami came out say.
Alright, you can't go about it. I'll deal with this. I'll deal with this.
Baby. Oh, she's alright. Stop here. Bro, what happened?
Hey, sister, man. God, you know.
Again, it means you have something.
My customer, man, so I'm late. But I'm not late, you know what I mean?
You know, if you live in a country, that's what I'm going to do. It is a one kind of woman to treat you good and treat you when you deserve to
I'm
be
trying
treated.
to she bad still, but I love her.
You can fall in love with somebody else, love big enough and share.
Oi. No, sister man. Girl, what you do?
Girl.
What you do?
What you mean?
What you do? Chose them, me a friend. I don't know you're this a friend here. What you do?
She not treat the man good.
Are you dissatisfied over there take work? Over there take work.
Why I'm ambition, me and him can't make life.
You know, like your ambition because over there take words from
When
you.
Brittany left me, I carries because Brittany and Shine block traffic right now. You can't block him.
Yeah. Me and that traffic.
She want to treat the man good, that's why I deserve good treatment. Look how I look nice.
Give them good advice to work on what they not do.
You want to say, talk to her, she not listen. Somebody else can see good.
Make it two of them work it
me,
out.
you see, Alex, me never see somebody else don't see.
Look here, by the end of the day, when time I told them make up back things and you look like a
Yes,
yes.
hear that? I'm unhappy. That's what unhappy sounds like.
I over there take work for you tell a girl to go and back go sit down. It's a man.
You come here to fix your life, you come here I try to fix my life.
Alright, sorry ma'am, sorry. We leave it alone.
She not have no style. She not have no style.
You know, we won't answer nothing more.
I'm not waiting for Brittany back for. Put it down.
Come back.
Put it down. You should treat the boy better. Boy deserve good treatment.
No.
Some people have some things I don't know what they have, you know, like what your man have, you want to know what you have. Probably your man know that's why I start you. Brittany,
May I come?
have another in there, though?
She me I want to spray the pepper spray from the bottle.
Sass, no. Come, baby. Come, mama.
Sorry.
There you are.
Come, Nana.
Girl, some people have things I don't know what they have. She don't know what she have.
Well, make she find out for herself or tell her, but you not feel like
So
she
your
want
man
like
is full
that.
of potential. Let's have a talk to you. No long them they live so bad. I'm tired to talk
Yeah,
to her.
they keep on it, but if that they want it up to them, them
You
are
want
two
live
big
bad
people.
person life?
Tell the truth, you don't want that, you know.
Exactly.
You know, one of them
live
talk to
bad.
your girl about you, then they can't. Him tired make
Talk to her.
talk to
Talk to her.
She rough, still, you know, she rough, but you know, say I come not touch
So now you're a man.
Me I go and give you some
Can't
time.
touch woman.
Look here, if you not
Before
touch
you're done,
woman,
if you're not happy.
you can
you're
angle a
gonna touch
matter, even if you not touch woman. You see me, yeah, man.
Understand what you have
When
to
your man voice and short, she have to listen. Then she knows say yeah, the man.
You're tired to
I hear
talk.
where the
You're
auntie in
unhappy.
her house.
Take
It's
your
too
advice
wicked.
and see
Man,
if
shoot
it
the
work.
boy and people and some.
Take your advice and see if it work.
Yeah, don't take care cause it's come like say. So you did before that day.
What's the father there foreign girl? Make a go up in my business so in front of the people. I want to see you.
Before that friend.
Yeah.
You want some money for your baby?
Yeah, because he's a dope dealer.
That's nice.
He moving weight. I make a moving weight. Making cake all day, man.
I'm going to say,
Alright, let's go.
alright.
I know if you live good. My life is so to live good. Enough to live good because I know you love a girl and a girl love you.
Yeah, too much, you know?
Oh, never tell I'm good man. I have to find. Nobody else.
Oh, so you don't expect them to find you? Eh?
You can't man just stop no man, me tired. Me can't stop me no more. Just leave me alone now.
Oh, sorry, mama with the baby.
Bye-bye.
Wow.
This a one, this a girl.
Chosen.
This a man I tell me about.
I hear me at all. You know it's a many day in the school
Yeah,
days.
girl, who
Chosen, I'm going to tell me that are you.
Papa,
I'm
so
gonna
me can't
tell you
choose
you
girls
put
with
some up.
Papa. I'm a friend long time I come in here long. No, I'm a friend long time I come in here long time.
Oh, Chosen. I love to be here, Chosen. And I don't put a fly for him.
Hey.
And I say you show love to people.
Alright, baby, me outie. Cause me know
Papa, you bleach for the girl and I did the girl a weird, but me a family.
me love the Empress and me go to school, you know that.
But Papa, you did the girl a weird. This part with me I hear, you know, you deal with her nice for the most part, but them look stalking me, but then them look roughness, they take time.
What she tell about me? What she tell about me? What she tell about me?
Just want if you just deal with her good, cause you deal with her good, but you don't look better.
No, me cheat. I never cheat for the eye. I never cheat for the eye. Listen, I respect the youth. I give lunch money when my youth to go to school and then when he done with school, me there with that.
She tell me there's something that Papa.
Yeah. But she has style me.
But you have to give her a little space, a little breathing.
No, man, you can't.
So you can't pop like on spend like a weekend.
You make man come talk about sweetie. You go in my way. No,
I be telling him to come see.
no, you tell man. I just imagine listen. You not what you tell man say taking no.
No, Brittany, you can't do that.
Jesus Christ, the man say, yeah, go my way, and they say me taken. The man never ask me taken. The man ask me I go feel like taxi the man around.
Listen, my man.
Papa, you have to ease up on her, man.
The man around
Girl, make it
taxi.
thing work, man. Make it thing work. You can't. You know, make it thing work and leave the girl. But I'm somebody girl pick it. But you know, I play sister. Girl, this a man, you know, Popeye.
No,
Sister, no Popeye.
I mean, you hear me when you.
Let's compete.
Girl, you look all I'm gonna see a woman and you look for a woman how long. Pay for your lunch.
What you lunch?
I don't know. And how much money you know you have your dirty money, Papa?
Remember we don't come again. I'm going to close the mouth.
1-6. But sis look all I'm gonna see Papa. We don't never know say Papa, man. A Papa, man, sis.
Come 11:50.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, girl, we never know. Papa, ever have any money, girl?
Me shouldn't even pay for your food.
Wait, can you know you love a girl? That's why you pay for it.
Me love her, but in this me.
This your home, can you know you're not here, but I'm too girl, you know?
Me don't know that. Woman, listen, yo,
All along we hear talk about man and I know you're alone in talk about behind your back in front of your
me
face.
send the girl to go to school. Me do anything for the girl.
You know that.
Me cheat her
Thank
good.
you.
Me do everything and when them want them.
Yeah, that Maria realize you love her.
But I'm too jealous, man, and it ain't gonna work because when I see you deal with woman. Me gone and work, you there work right behind me. A security guard there, we are guard.
Empress, I'm gonna ask you a question.
Papa tea.
I don't like say papa.
I put Icky on your breast.
What?
Icky.
What?
I know
No, I
Icky.
know if I must bite her. See, so we can come out here with that now. We are trying to fix things. Go on in, go follow up your clothes
If
then.
me didn't
I'm
know
gonna
say
fix your life.
I am man.
Look.
Who
You see back right, just say
Who
15.
you really that call
Let me
this?
see it.
Who you are? You think that the back then? How we are call this?
Go on in, sister. You know the man and
Make sure she
man.
never say no.
You know what me have to know? Me love the Empress and India school from their school, right? And me school lad. Cause me I say, I'm under age, but now they with her till she left school.
One time. Yeah, me know you have good.
She left school and me asked her she want to go to college.
Yeah.
She said she want to go work. Me say alright, a good man then
So you want to talk about all that business, everything we do for me?
No, man, I'm virgin.
No, me have to talk. Me say I go work, right? Cause she said she want to go work.
Yeah, man.
No, man, anything else we thought that there's something.
As she start work, her phone and ring down her boss, I call her.
Say me boss saw me for work and I tell me when I went to come in. Happy night.
Your boss not fi call you when you're there in your yard.
No, God, Papa.
No, your boss not fi call you unless you're on your work.
But you can't come and tell him about something pertaining to
No, you text the staff them, email them. Brittany, William don't come to work
I
today.
really love that girl.
Yeah, but don't call her, you tell her.
You know, express
He
love
can't get work hard, Papa, and not that serious.
Exactly.
You know, love her. Oh, God, Papa. A 6 hours and a half doesn't
Your boss can call you at 9 o'clock in the night.
9 o'clock?
And the type of job what me I do.
No, listen to me. You see, if you have your woman in your yard and your boss are calling something or something, a boss not supposed to call you. You know to call you at
But
night.
then me alone him a call.
Call you during the work hours.
I think saying I don't stay alone, Papa.
Every time I'm doing the work hours and work hours, me at work.
Yeah,
sense.
call your phone and tell them you anything you want to tell them, you tell you I work. Don't come to work tomorrow. Bam. That's it. I ain't text you. Don't call every minute. When we want to go saka, we can't get it. Because I'm there on the phone. Hold on, I'm there on the phone with the boss. Hold on, I'm there on the phone with the boss.
You're not that serious, Papa, man. Alright, we'll just sit down and discuss things in private. I know enough things you not talk and enough things him not talk. So
No.
we'll just sit down and discuss things
Me
in
not
private and
discuss
see if you
nothing
can
with
work.
nobody.
I want to change
It might be it.
and be happy.
It might be, right? It might go be. I didn't carry your phone because I'm bathroom.
And music me a play.
So me go around the bathroom with that cock up and look.
No, Papa,
Happy.
you can't just give your privacy.
No, I want to see if I really talking and talk on the phone, but I really music I listen to.
So that's all, guys. That's why I'm saying, Papa, right? Papa, you know a good girl. And you know.
No, but baby, to listen to the wind
When
that.
me turn on, yeah, make 4. When me look, he see him go and chat with her and put me we see. No check him and check me there so.
No, I can't check the eye now because I want the eye to enough to make
Don't
it.
come call me no eye. Don't do it.
Listen, we're not going to talk yes, so we know
Me
what
not
going.
talk with nobody.
So
you done, Brittany, you done?
Yes.
I want him come home, man. I love it.
Papa, I say, well, if you change, you can't forgive me for privacy. When you phone ring, just trust say I work hard. And if I work hard, and if I don't work hard, just say I work hard. Give her a benefit I don't. Okay, see, if you have a good man and mess up with, and she all knows. And if you really have a good woman and mess up with her last, me I tell you,
Listen,
last about
I mash up my phone for casino. I mash up my phone because one of my little cousin called me, you know, and she think I'm my woman, you know. Because the call me say, hey man, I give him problems, say want me come bad up him man for him. So me never dig up my gun now because bad up him man for him man bail because him man here. Him man
Stop with them gun to the Papa. You're G in the street. If you leg up certain things, you don't say if you drop your guard. But Papa.
yeah, my mother always say, I live by the gun, I shall die by the gun. But you see me, I not die by this gun. I shall survive. But she may tell me about,
I make nothing to talk about the business because no matter where you stay, no matter where you do, me now go back in the relationship, so please go on.
Papa ain't saying done.
no, me
So
can't.
girl, you take him man food.
You see me out,
Because a long time me and him there,
2 minutes I love you
food and go
food.
kill him.
Yes, because I go over my friend, you know. When did I hide that sleep, you know. I mean, I 2 food, me order can go over there, you know.
Jesus.
2 food, you know. And you know, did it, a friend tell me say move. And I want to go jump him and buy one spliff. And some rum and he tell me say, you see, Empress come down that way. So I say, I must do a chosen then.
Jesus, please.
Some come down here and down there.
Out in the streets and yeah, you know, yeah, really tap the go Papa. She said she done. And you want to continue on that big city, me done. My part done, me just know. You can't do nothing.
No man no come at you.
No, me I look at
You said already, right?
Papa, you're overprotective, you know? No, really, like, brother, me
You know-
true, you're overprotective.
You know what is love?
Yeah, but you have to find a way to express it and express it with boundaries. You can't make sure you feel uncomfortable. Because right now, because you're uncomfortable, she don't want to come back.
Me now go away.
But me time on the bed one
I
time.
just make me and chat pan guy short and something. I can't
The
remember.
bed one time. Come home man.
It's
Come
all the
on, man.
night time. No. Oh, I'm
Tired of nightmares.
Don't me disrespect, you hear? Make sense of go on.
No,
Don't make me
disrespect
diss
my
you.
father, but
Don't make me diss you,
I
hear?
feel live good here, man. I don't know. I'm big people.
Me go through you with that too much, me now go through you again. Go on.
I don't need the eye, you know.
Me there work me like I want big papi show. The girl me work a chat me a chat about her too. Her man a pay a same thing there. You come like she a pay a babysitter, her man a do work same time. And then me sit there girl and chat out.
Oh, which girl chat to? Which girl are you walk place chat?
Papa, you have
You say me a
temper
tell
problem.
Maybe go put
You see
her
no one
6 foot
kill
6.
everybody.
No. Nobody don't call my name. Who call me name and walk? Tell me who. Let me put them down 6 foot 6.
No, Papa,
It
you
makes
can't
sense
do
to
it
stop your
so.
eyes, yeah, man.
She not gonna feel safe from the car. You have eyes have to look over your shoulder.
Me a pretty car.
Thank you.
I pretend me a pretty car.
Don't protect me no want you to do it.
All the taxi boy about city. Going my way. Let me shut you 2 bucks.
I phone money pay the hospital bills. My money, you do the damage and my money have to use and pay because when you're broken on the money and now what because you're under my tail every day. You don't have no work. You don't have nothing to do.
Yeah, but you
when time me don't work, you stress me out. Look here, when time me don't work, my money have to benefit it to our right? When you are do nothing, you just watch me, brother, just stop. It come like it's a job to you to watch me. But they are police I can have on. Plus you're rape, this a man, yo.
Food nice.
You come and go like you're a big detective. You go on, please go on. I can't take this no more.
You believe I want me chosen?
The food nice.
The food nice, go on.
Chosen. You want me to leave your yard?
The food nice.
Alright, chosen.
Alright, chosen. Watch your back in the chosen.
What me by watch back?
You see?
Watch your name, Papa?
No, I'm not check me eyes.
Obviously.
But if a woman is if a man you have my woman up here and take up here,
Me, Papa?
me I go know in the chosen.
Don't say you're a woman. Don't say you're a woman. I'm not your woman again.
Do not carry come up here on the door. Let you start on the
Yes, I shall be a camera for this place. 24/7 I shall be here.
Shall be here.
Any man you have a come at me must know.
You must know.
Papa, you love a girl, right?
Yeah.
Come up here, light water, internet, everything free, AC, hot water. And you buy one food that I may have for bread and food. Papa, I go out and you can't eat up bread and food. I mean, they are constantly to on a terrible.
When I have money, make me buy it.
Papa, you have money.
I see you pick up for.
But you don't know.
Remember enough. Me not gonna know. 24/7 I shall watch you.
You can't watch because
And
okay.
chosen.
You know, me go to police station boy, you know, because me not go tolerate this.
Where she say? Where she say?
Nobody feel
Me
like
not
I'm afraid of you. Me not
What
afraid
is
of you. I'm not afraid of
Alright,
you.
here's what. I have a very, very interesting idea. Go home, take a course or relax your mind
Exactly.
and sit Brittany with the man and think about all the things and what you think say you could probably change and make things work and make you find it interesting again. Me don't know. I'm Brittany, me don't know because
Me change she have you to thief.
I'm change. People know and I've been something she don't like, Papa. And you come and work.
No, me put your car.
But Papa, you don't have to do that way there. There's another way to do things.
All the boy.
I want to tell me I'm going to work, right? Come I'm talking about the same stuff already and you say, no, you again. Me I go work one man and me I walk. Oh, me see me turn around so like, he follow me, you know, but you know what me know say. He follow me. Turn around so me see him on a truck off in a bush. Me say,
No,
like if you see a river.
I was sting me, so I took off like bush. I'm there to watch her. I run there.
No, so I was by them, they show me I was by
That's not gonna make it up to
me turn around man a truck off in a bush, like he there want me to see him. No, so me don't see him. Maybe just skin me feet and walk off.
You see that come clear. Remember say me not see I see him there
Yeah,
like
good,
regular people. So
Remember I
see
said the
that
eye
come.
to the eye one day at 54/7, you know.
No, but get me out now.
Huh?
No, but I wait. Brittany, I'm making up about home to your man.
I thought it was 24/7. It's not.
Jesus.
54/7.
Anything, we can't check when me under room.
One.
It's like me can't focus when me under the room.
Okay.
Remember, you know, you see the girl that call up my name, you know. You see, it two of them went there. You want to hear for the news.
Come back. If you go to prison, what you get back, Brittany? Me just ask you a friend, I don't know. You not do the maths right. It's not the math, it's not mathing, brother.
Remember, see, if you match now. Bam, and then call up my name. We go out
People never plan it.
Plus.
shoot them. Kill them.
Equals.
Then camera pick up out the road. Find the panic. Send the guy to prison and maybe spend. Oh, we don't spend enough time because the judge them in Jamaica now ease up time of a killing now, you know.
But you come back Brittany for the next 3 months, probably really
Fine,
married.
Fine.
So think about what you really want.
Fine,
That's
man.
why I say, Papa, go home and take a cold shower and relax your brain and think about what you really want.
Alright, don't do what you say now. Man do
Just
what
do
the
the
eye
right
say,
thing,
but
brother.
remember, you know, chosen. It's if a man have my phone, you take it
No,
away.
nobody not come here to her. Nobody else.
Yes, see, if a evening boss, yeah, me come up to her.
No, nothing like that. Me I tell you the truth, Papa, nothing like that. But just refresh and come.
Go on now.
I be able to see every shoulder. Be able to see her. Remember that.
Papa, you can't come home and threaten me, Papa. Me and virgin for years. Just refresh and come again, brother. Search
Why
and
not?
back and come again.
Yeah, I said take me food, I dance this.
Hello. When me I did there. Look here, nothing wrong with buying me local food. Nothing wrong with that. Because a long time with it. A long time.
You know,
You want local food now, I'm going to kill you.
Alright.
Yeah, right.
I shall be back. See you
Shall
tomorrow,
be back.
yeah? I'll bring something for you tomorrow. I want tomorrow.
Don't make. Look here, go on. Go on!
You see?
Brother, stop testing me here. Go
I'm
on.
gonna have to see my papa.
Alright.
Tomorrow, whenever. Let's go home, go think and come back.
Alright.
I'm not telling someone to find me. I can't take this no more, man.
Everybody in the community, I feel papa,
But I know some men did it for a long time.
girl, a long time. I said so long, me I feel like you can put him on lunch. I try to call them different names for when me call him. I can't be so bad, girl. Girl, for me, I tell you the truth. I never spoke I love nobody so yet.
You okay, man?
I never said I love nobody so yet, girl. Because I have look money more while and in teeth and something. You get them we talk to you like commenting. Excuse me language.
What the big friend? No one going to say so.
No, I go on.
We didn't talk one about that things and then the man come.
Me so me no see him. Me just a go pick up my clothes. See my clothes them there for a while. Me a go pick up. And when me go out there, me see him man turn up. And me go fear say, cause me don't know what happened. And me just me didn't know me see out of my mouth. Him man hold up inside a big old matic pan inside. Eh?
I know say so don't so come.
How you did that? Cause me didn't see you.
Me did in a hall.
In a hall, and me walk through the hall and me no see you. Eh?
We go about 2 months time.
He come like a dopey you turn cause me no see you. Me walk round the house, see me, I go out the door, going up my clothes and me come back in the kitchen and me no see you. The your shadow, me no see, so I wish part you did that.
We did it, man. I see everything, man. But things can't do.
Me no know about this, so me come after Friday man I show me gun like saying I kill you and kill me and me don't know this man from Adams. This man coming at my place. Eh?
Girl, when me come here, man, girl, like, girl, we come here.
Me can't believe.
Sure.
Me see my sister, you see that girl, pick up people and care come here and she don't know who him can come here. Pussy man did come here mad in her head and come kill her for whole away. That girl ain't think before things, Because he having a little baby there, he never think about his baby life.
Yeah, I hear say, man, so come back. He say, go come back.
So can't chat to like say I whisper from somebody.
I don't whisper from nobody, but me not nothing with me and man, they are come here with things, so you expect.
You know, see how me name, see I say him.
How
Me know see you weak. Like, you know nothing in here, but me know see I see you coward. Look how you big and strong. Me never see you out the front before you say, yo, what kind of, you're the only man here.
You know, see where man.
You vanish, you disappear, you turn thin here.
Where you want me to go out there with me empty and the man have gun.
Look how you big and strong.
Even though I'm chant, me can't tap bullet. Me can't tap bullet.
You gone?
Me see him move for night time, I don't know if he come back, but he say he come back.
Right, don't want to look if he gone, Because me have me rest of my clothes for him out. Because be a work, me a work. And you would have helped me. And see man come here and could have killed me and you could have helped me like a lock your lock up in that closet. Me know say in that closet today,
No, you're not going in that class.
Then what you did there? Lock up in that bathroom.
I tell you, me here, look at him.
Oh, so you lock up in that bathroom?
No.
Right.
Look at him there.
You see them sitting there? And me and say go give man gun? He's a weak jelly bat, you.
Yeah, woman, me not do nothing. I'm going to think say girl me I can't talk to. Why?
Oh, you gone. Look here. Me now go tell her never sit here no. Man a come in my place with gun past side. You feel like say get out with it?
Where are you going, Papa, sis?
What you mean?
Sister,
Man
Papa,
come here and
you-
trap my life.
Oh God, you know Papa ain't serious.
What
What
the-
is Papa is serious? Papa ain't serious, girl. Papa ain't on the way.
Exactly.
He just madly in love with Britney. You remember say first this Papa in love, so enough all the years Papa is dashing body all both. Papa is doggish and
I don't think Papa is that.
So you know see I look different.
Me never look in her face. Cause when you see a man tall, when the man show me inside, you see me going in. Me don't want to see that.
No.
At them the classes they are mixed up with girl.
What you mean by them crosses that me a mix up with?
Alright,
Me a call your man crosses and I say them man they a mix
The
up.
man is not gunman. You understand me? You want to a gunman you love?
Gunman in
Look here,
chill.
look here, look here, look here. You take everything for joke.
Alright, see, but him not
You
Papa
take
is not
everything
do
for
nobody
joke.
nothing.
Look
You know Papa is sick.
Me
Papa
and my man
know me
dey
and
here.
know if I will
Your man dey here how long, right? I see how we live with cuss and something. But we never take up nothing and lick down each other. And me don't want nobody coming at me yard come kill me.
So what they tell us that the man take up no and lick me though?
No, me not say that, but me I say post him come back again in a range. Me can't go tolerate this year if you tell the truth. Because me and my man there we cuss and this, but we never physically. He never said he would take up a machete or a knife and me never do nothing yet. You understand? We always work out things. Just see how we work, don't see?
I'm up and down, but I'm still together. But what I say is, even if you like a dirty one and find one better man, Papa, now come up here.
Yes, what I tell about? Post someone at the man and me did come take up. You want me to lift my man? Him come kill me with gun? Eh?
So what when I say killer with gun, you point hand over here so. You fling hand and go so. Why?
No, you and your man have gun. I come in at me yard.
He is not my man, he is my ex-man. I'm an ex-man, not my
Papa,
man.
I want to take one time back, but you know I'm a Papa.
Suppose him man get in it. You remember the something wake up on news? With the man with the gun as a check finger? Eh? You know about that? Suppose the man come here, you know which part we there now. Suppose he come back and kill off you who will love it.
Actually,
Eh?
no,
The man not say so.
I demand that. May I tell her sister, relax, no, ease up her fan. I'm a friend, you know. I'm a friend. I'm going to tell her sister, she's not going to bring that come here. Papa, and I know we know Papa.
You can't come here. You understand me? You can't scare people come here so.
You mean she can't scare
I'm
people
a
like
friend.
that?
Alright.
It's not like the girl not know me. The girl know me for a long time from school
I'm a
days.
friend and you know my friend coming Alan said about Brittany. It's not that serious. Papa and I can do your thing. It's Papa and I them something. Papa and I know have some shit to
pushing up
do.
control.
You remember say you have one little baby live here?
What you mean? So who take care of my baby? I mean, hey, she's great thing. Come on, she never want you to keep her. Yeah, well, I'm let mommy not take care of her. Hey, she's done with you. She just told you, I'm done. Done, Nana? Done. She's done with you. The bride, you know, me take care of my pitney. Papa, you're just worried. Papa and I come here and do nothing. Papa is not that type of person.
Look here, me like a sister.
Girl, you mind, you know you're my girl.
The way they are stressed out, they tell me find someone else. You see me?
Girl, you're not stressed. Like I said, just go on the way I look for one for work. You're there, you make you hungry.
You know, make me hungry, but it's
You make you
stress.
alright.
It's very stressing because your sister they come back 24/7.
Jamaican, she watch your life and her life. You see her life unhappy and calming. That's why it's so deep for her, man.
Look here, what would you do? What? Run.
No, yeah, no.
Yeah, just wow. No, just wow.
Oh, wow.
You know with a sister man how long. You know how long
You
know how long. Me not business. You know how long me struggle with Nana and I listen.
Remember, so we have name. You can't talk so long.
Look here, me don't not care. You know what you do, girl. I am sister man.
I'm a brother.
I am this
I
know what me think. I know what me think. And in this and a cup so long what India do.
Yeah, really can't touch things that go on their relationship and
No, sir. So I'm gonna reason all this when I go in the private and lock up both door. Both door, not true.
Brittany, it's nothing like that. No bother with that.
But sister know about this, be sorry for you. Remember me tell you.
Me, I do nothing.
We mean you don't know. He not go talk, we not go talk.
But there's nothing to talk about.
But me out just time here in there.
I do what? You
We
hear
know what
what?
we hear so
I watch movie and other things they put in a movie these days. Come
Yeah,
on.
just a while ago you saw there chat. No jump to go to movie.
Yeah, because when you watch movie, you have to talk.
No,
Brittany,
no,
when
no, man.
So girl, when certain things come in a movie and I go talk about it, comment on it. Come on now, Brittany.
When you saw not talk about relationship you fix, that's what you said to me. You never chat about no movie, not chat about no movie.
Then not that, then look what you said how long we in here.
Yeah.
Time. We had enough time to talk about the relationship, watch movie, comment on the movie, etc. Hello? Hello?
Think good man. All is well. I'll be a seater, so you choose to come to my head.
No, sorry, but all about come because you talk to me and I talk to you. Nobody come to certain things, my sister there, because I don't want to imagine people in relationship.
Oh, yeah, match up a sister relationship because you want a sister man.
First time talking something so no, nothing like that.
She don't want me.
So you feel, that's what you thought.
Brittany, don't do that. You know, you might see me and look around, look joke with him out and do
But
something like
I sit
that.
there well, plump up, ready for man.
Here,
Ready for man.
here, stop
I
it.
know me she ready.
Are you ready? Because obviously I told me in there so. Obviously.
We were in here but doing what? Exactly. Tell her again that she's not hearing you. You're not hearing me.
Alright, you know me come up right here because that is not my business.
Exactly. Stay here and mind the business. I'm a friend, I'm love you, but mind the business. Cause you know, make no sense right
And
now.
my business do.
Hey.
It's my, I want to go in here, so. You want to let me out here, so I hear everything? What do you mean? Nothing.
I just talk with your talk.
You in a room locked up with my man?
Girl, you crazy girl. Girl. No talk with your talk, Brittany.
Oh no, mix me, you say. You tell me just how I am going to say.
Wait,
You
just
don't
talk.
buy this, this is not my
Just a
business.
reason about something with a reason
Yeah,
about.
we some reason about life and somebody know what talk loud and something sister.
I yesterday out the door.
Some titty they not always out the door they to stay. A titty them, what you mean? I want one in that so.
Hello, friend. Where's the one here with them?
It's not my business.
Brittany, you never say you go road a while ago, Brittany. Come here, you never just say you go.
Never
road.
tell
Where you gonna do with my man?
You know me, your sister know me love you.
Hey.
You know me
So
love
let your
you.
friend tell Tayo.
Brittany, why you come here with a Manchester and problem much time with them relationship?
Who?
Why?
Me all chairs are sit down with Nana. I am God in this with the girl, man. Right? God knows what you guys were doing in there. We do not know.
Sis,
Don't
we
come
in
and
Don't
talk.
touch me.
Sister in there.
Hold on, get in there.
I think around 1.5 hour, 1 hour, something like that. Here, baby.
We watch a movie and a talk, I man I tell you how much you love and rate and in life how things are going but you want to fix things and I say, yeah bro, fix things.
I yesterday
No,
up
okay,
out here, Brazil.
man.
Right, so they up more than mine, the man now look on that. Oh my God, we should even have that conversation here, sis.
Look here.
Yeah, I know what you see.
No, you're fine now.
Just a look in her face and look now look no else.
Brittany, why make you come down here? Brittany, why you left on some far and come here with this type of energy, Brittany?
I know me. I know me tell her to go and
Why would you even say that? Because they should even mention that because we're not going
Me and your friend,
We
right?
are think negative, Brittany.
Me
This
and
is
your
not
friend.
nice.
I never
Excuse
see
me,
the
dear
girl
girl.
here. Oh, see, I
Yeah,
can't
Miss
get
Erin.
What kind of family you come from and this really do me try my something my sister and
Shut
my
up.
brother?
Me not do
Exactly.
anything.
My brother, in coming like my real blood brother, sis, don't listen to Brittany. You want me to say you want about me, must say you want about her now.
Say me with him say, yeah,
I really never say I'm at your left. Me love me this. You have a left place in the girl and you have a different place too. Because look at me. No, don't from thinking for that lick in your
I
head.
do not wrong, brother.
Sis,
Sis,
you
Don't to
sis,
me.
you know me love you and your niece love you. Make sure come out.
Don't-
No, no, sis, come here. Remember you want me.
Don't
You
touch
want me,
me.
you know. You want, girl, my sister want me, boy, you know, girl. Want me to, yeah, you see.
You say let me get it off of me too?
No, because she don't like when you're upset because you believe foolishness, sis. Oh, God.
Oh, so you have to come here and fight me off?
No, this not right, Nana. No, it's not right, Nana. Baby, agree. Sis, really, sis, look how far we have come from. Me and mommy only girl pick me like, seriously? No, I'm going. No, baby, no going. Come.
You, if I never get here, they would have keep on and listen.
Brittany.
And God, make sure you come here
Sis,
and
no, sis, no. See, your niece I got here, no. Sis, no, no.
I know where you think.
No.
No, some of you have.
Sis.
I say, okay, girl, eh? I just pick me and go back for me.
Sis, you want me, you know, your mama say you want me to go to girl now. If I should come here, Brittany, you see it, I'm going to pick up for you, Brittany,
You
me and
want
your
me-
friend.
I-
And right this for my sister.
When you pick up with me with, and I pick up for me, it's the
My
truth.
sister want me, should have seen it, and then before you come here, you come here with problem, Brittany. You come
Come
here
come
with
here with problem. Missy, my friend do something, I'm going to talk to you about it. Me never know say she did that listen.
But exactly, you see me and
Me,
you
I put
shouldn't
up on
even
the
say
right
anything.
path.
No, but you shouldn't even say anything because it's not your business. 'cause it's
No,
nothing like
friend
what
and
you're
friend.
thinking.
Me's a friend like this, me go always
I
stand
don't
up
pick
for
that fight off
right.
of me. You be that tell me say no, come for left him and this and that. That time that you want him.
Girl, me tell you for man. Brother, look how me tell you for workout thing. You see your trouble set like rain? Look how you tell me say you love my sister.
You don't tell me something left me man. Boy, my dirty boy. I'm for left man this and that.
Girl, don't do that. Me, girl, me tell you that, girl. Me chosen tell you that. Me can't believe you're this, sister.
You don't tell me that?
Me tell you that, sis. Brother, me know you don't believe.
Father God, if you're busy, you come see. Look for this moment.
In my roll, cause this story is something wrong in here. Girl, read it, girl. Read it, girl. You really believe this? You see it? What? God no. God say no.
I don't pick me one warm me off. Like say tell the program to fat me up.
Since me I'm going to sleep because I'm not like this. Right now this is for Brittany.
Sleep the sleep well.
Choose
No, sleep the sleep well because it's your last sleep. Remember that?
No, you can't really stay your knees. Choose stranger over me. Choose stranger over
So
me.
you call me stranger
No, because you're acting as
Sleep
strange
the
now.
sleep well. Remember that?
Brittany, you're acting as
She was
strange
taking
now.
us. So better.
Right now you're not a strange friend, me and a friend because you come here come mash up my life. My sister there you're good.
I'm not being much of a life, and you go down there and you go
Our mother dead, our mother
man.
dead, and me and she, how we pick me girl, and you come here with your foolish.
What I know have to do that to your sister?
Do
if I
what,
do
Brittany?
that?
What
I
did
told him
do?
to get a friend and look why you gonna do that to your sister.
What did I do, Brittany?
You
What
come here.
you take a cool here and answer me?
So that means, that simple means, if me have my man, if I take a sister man, why you wanna take a friend
You're not
man?
gonna take man argument they have
If you
to me
take your
about my
sister
fear
man,
and
why you
they-
wanna take your friend man?
Brittany, we're there for years and we are
Only for sure for the somebody man and take and get that.
But why your man can't take you? Go back to your crosses.
And most somebody man and take and get that.
Go back now. Go back to your crosses, man. With your crosses and your problem and
You
your
last
strength
time
and
you
your
check.
own house.
The last
One
time,
back,
no one was
Brittany,
all
never
those
friend
baby
again.
girl. The
Just
last
one
time,
back, just
the
one.
last time
Girl,
check
that's
up
my
your house, not yours, and you bring me there with that
Exactly, it's
your house.
my sister's house and we're there for years. I'm happy. Why you come with your foolishness?
Why me call me foolish? I never myself to put me up. Oh.
Wow.
Me ask you, say
Wow.
yes, if anyone
But
mistake,
look when
say
you try
alright.
to water them first, Brittany. Thanks. God bless you.
God bless you too. Because sister, I like next one. I feel like him down.
Sure.
Yo.
Yeah, just try to get out of the place. Yeah, don't talk.
Don't look for me, and I make us see. Are you? You? And if you man up because you're like a small little boy. You make woman take you out in a clone.
will never do nothing.
You need to do nothing.
I swear.
And if you man up, man.
Mama.
You want to get what you do, yeah?
You boss.
Oh, so, and the man this year.
What you mean, man, this year?
And the man this year.
No, father. No.
After me and this man, this man, this man, in a no. A chosen sister man, this.
And the man this year you take.
What do you mean? Yeah.
You think wanna come here?
Me not gonna answer you.
You think wanna come here?
Me not gonna answer you.
Virgin, where you have the woman now?
Me and her no have nothing.
Me not play foolishness, no.
Just a reason about a situation when I go through, you know?
Which situations?
One situation with my girl and her sister.
Listen me. You tell her what me do to the last man I call him sweetie.
Okay, no bother with that. Don't bother with that.
You need to tell me father.
Yo, oh you
The man a maddy, man.
Virgin,
Yeah.
I'm a woman me come get your pan Virgin.
Me never step on her father. You know see what me there?
Where?
Over here so me there, you know?
Daddy, me not want a man that too close, not evil. Me see what step in them. You far is the video from the woman away down there, so.
When me go here, what she has to do me?
Daddy, you know what my body talk to the woman, she not tell him.
No, she never.
Hello, me down there, so don't say, woman. Do not say it. Don't do it.
You believe in a life after death?
What do you
Yo, no,
mean?
but me can't take this no more, you know.
Listen, you believe in life after death?
Yo, put on that. Put on that.
Eh?
So father, what that?
Put on that, no, man.
Why that this for father?
Me no want nobody around my sweet chick. You see?
Don't call me a sweet chick. I am not a sweet chick again.
My honey boo that.
No, honey. Look here, go on, please.
Oi! What you do? You would? Where you have your woman now? At that
I
one?
don't have nothing, brother. Me I tell you, say I want situation when I go through, man.
Which situation you can go through with my woman? You got in that
He's
situation?
not good in a situation. He can't understand things, man.
Let me
If I
understand.
need woman, then I want to stick the situation and I try to help him out and I give him advice and tell him stop shit like, come on.
Oh.
That's all.
Oh! So you help him out by giving some my cookie? And that you do?
No, father, she not do that. She not do that, father.
Virgin, me always hear this.
You
You
put
see-
on that, you know.
You see when guy and a woman and a man they too close
Yeah.
and rain fall, things are gonna happen.
Yo, don't bother with that. Don't bother with
Don't
that.
go through a problem. You see me, so I'm not going to try to put myself down.
I you see she me don't want a man to even look for her. Because you see hide them, he will lose them.
Yeah.
You see last man, you know last man they call him sweetie with twisty two jaw them. And that she say when I have to spend that cabin.
Just because of a man say.
Yeah! You can't go for my woman and call him sweetie. You know how hard them spend on that. Hey,
Who you call that?
yes, baby.
Who you call that?
So So,
let's just me. Look here.
okay, so that's the run away from my yard because me watch you. Take care of man, yes, sir. You see this place, I don't want me bunny down.
She just a stay here. She don't me come here to her. Me there here for a long time.
Oh, so you didn't come to?
No, she
Me not come to my girl, man. Chosen sister, man. Just deal na, man.
Chosen sister man. Eh? Chosen sister man.
My woman that day.
Are you woman that? Chosen sister.
Yeah.
The brown one.
Yeah, man, I'm my woman that day.
Between me and you, where is it to a while ago?
When you talk before you come
You
here.
don't need to know that.
Before me come here and when they come here?
Before you come here, we talk about my situation and my woman, you see me? Yeah, that me I tell her and she has some need for man up.
So,
On top with the reckless style.
so as she have to teach you how to man up.
Not really, father. I've been a try still, you know, you see me?
Let me tell you something. You see, woman academia in life, bridging, if you don't man up, they will use you. So you see, my woman don't ask her for advice because we kill man to less than that.
Understand what you say, father.
Missing man ask her for $5, me shot it in her foot 5 times. Don't ask my woman for money. Me just go in here and I go say, bam, 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 and put him down.
Father, you're so dark, though, father.
And the dark.
I'm not dark, a fool in fool.
The amount of
Big
money.
old idiot.
The amount of money we spend on her when she used to go to school.
Yeah.
Me don't want to fly pitch paddle. Me don't want to fly. You see all the mosquitoes they want to die in here. Boom, boom, boom in the ears.
Yeah.
Me sit down up over my head, sir. And I look for them because they see me don't want nothing to do her.
But father, you can put on that still in the father. And
Nothing come out of it.
father. Easy no father.
Relax, relax,
So
man.
we are painting on the man so for not painting over
And I like me,
yourself.
I'm going to do nothing in a minute. They do nothing in a father.
If me carry my woman go to a doctor today, and doctor says she has sex. Well, you can tell me.
I can't, me father. I just
Me ask you a question. I want to go to doctor with you. What go down the video?
Yo, relax yourself.
Like
You know.
an idiot to you?
Because if you children carry up here with this man here, a saka you know. Me, I will put an end to it, you know. I,
Put an end to chatting. Where you depend and go on.
Into a father.
yo, let me tell you something. I love her. So I rather kill any man we see around her and kill her and then kill myself.
So father, if you didn't even know the full 101 story, I just done the story so.
Yo, I don't time me I read book and me just skip to the end. Me no business with the middle. Me no want to know what happened in the middle. Me just want to know what happened in the end because that's the story there.
Okay.
So if me come see you, yes, so with the woman and nobody not there. What do you think I run through female brain? Eh?
You understand what you say?
Put yourself in my shoes.
You know in fact you have to just listen to what they have to say.
Look here, just go on. Me can't take this now. My head hurt me. Just go on. Go on.
Why you really left yard? And that
Go on,
one-
man.
Why you left yard?
You're too disgusting. Me can't stand you.
If a man I want you, nothing wrong with that, a protection.
Look here, come like a hot. We are mean by watch.
A protection.
Protection.
Father, I think my problem big about
I walk everywhere.
Yo, enough things we go through with her, you know. Enough things.
No.
We love the bee.
But I take up myself and go in there. If you go out here, I'll go in there. So you see me when I go, I will come back.
Oh, so you want to come back and do all of this, do right, so.
Do what father, we never do nothing father. But father, every minute I talk, I find the gun for me and father.
Listen to me, man. Right now, reach to a point where I tell myself, say, is either grave or prison.
This is a man here.
And I don't want none of them. So, you see, if she do what me love her, I tell the youth, me don't want that one. Me not want nobody who look upon her. After school days, me a mine her, man.
Yeah, father.
And if me a mine, it should be mine, nobody else.
I understand what you say, but you know, just reasoning. You see me, just reasoning.
Alright, yo, I'm going to come back and come see a reason with the woman. You see me?
Alright, then, father.
My woman don't make for reason. And you see, the next time I come here, I straight a yard me a carry. I want a house me a work for right now.
What you just say?
Me a work for the house.
Work on the house yourself and somebody else, but not me.
So I try to show you, father. So I try to show
Sorry
you.
for son, when I pick up smoking and then same thing there.
Since the left.
Since me left,
Since you left, I like it.
you know like it, you better love it because I'm not coming back.
Woman like academia. You have to man up. You have something like this if you have. So as I say, you tough it on them throat, that's what you do.
Papa don't short.
Like you know, say,
No,
see,
yeah, talk.
Yeah. If you don't
Man, I make people feel like they messing them me go through. Don't do it.
me teach you something in life. You know beat woman. No follow man beat woman. You better bad them up.
can't be too man. You think that wrong.
Right, you know beat woman. It's like they take up your gun and you just push upon one side girl. What you do?
Like you just.
I think you know something now shoot him make him a go along so.
But they am right.
But sometimes you have to give them a little shot in their foot then. Yeah, it seems like that you have to start doing because you don't give them people no mind, you don't give them attention and man they sit down and say
No
we.
detail so do. I beg you no detail so do.
You like her?
No, me not like her. Me
Oh! If it is just say yes in the man. Two in them. A war. I tell you.
Go on.
We chosen.
Me don't know, me not care. Go
We
on.
chosen our date. When then?
If you never date, you not go on with her then.
Say nobody love she anymore.
Come on, man, this year. I drunk or something. Come out here and go on. Go on.
The whole heap of rum is there drink from.
Come, go on. Your time expire. Come on, go on. Come on.
Tell her if you don't touch me, because if you touch me, I get a bullet.
So far, I know she.
You know me, I can't go in
She
there.
have go with you, I know you. And me, I probably.
You can't go in there, stay here.
Move.
Bye.
Go sir. Go sir. Straight down sir. Straight down sir. A war. You see you? Remember, I shall go to prison. A war.
Oh yeah, Dronia. They have sister left from there, so.
No, you left me sister around there. Me and your sister
Go on, run
friend
this,
one
man.
while ago.
What?
When the man come.
What?
You come out, me could have dead out there, so.
My business.
What do you mean?
Go and work out this, man. They will not know this together.
No, we know this one out together. Me and your sister friend just attack him. I tell him say me need to man up. And I tell him say that me I do when look. As she man come, say me and her there now. And they check me out there.
She just shot in your foot. Come go and buy your business.
Where me I go?
Come follow behind her chosen because as she and you come out of room, right? So as she and you feel go and go to the business because I don't want to see you because I can't believe say I really decided to me, eh? I really decided to me, eh? Me put you up in a place.
No, me not do. Me I tell you say I talk, we I talk.
Talk in a room, lock up. You an idiot.
We never know say chosen friend out there. Me and chosen never know say friend come.
Oh,
I talk,
so
we I talk.
okay. So you know say friend come.
No.
So that's why you lock
So
up
she
in a
a get it
room.
wrong. She
What you
think that's
mean?
something we I do, but no, we I TV man here when you feel say.
Also turn up the TV
Yeah,
because you
turn
know
up the TV.
she hear the noise. Me an idiot. Me an idiot. Don't go and back out there,
Don't
son.
take your fool.
Go and back. Man could put one bullet in your foot. Go and back out there, son, because I don't want to hear nothing what you have to
Yeah,
say
tell
to
me
me.
some shit out this and get shot.
Yes, because I deserve it.
Probably I get the story wrong. That's why I asked him if he get shot. If he didn't know what is whatever I know.
Also, I tell me say she just call it in her room and just sit down in there. She come back up with her boobs them out. And nothing go on.
Yes, sister, you know, say a saint and I mean, I look for her, sir.
So I really decided to me. I mean, think some could I trust you.
I don't do nothing to you.
Me I take God off the cross for you.
I don't do nothing to you, yes, sir.
I still talk about you know up to now you
I tell
can't.
you the truth.
Come out of my side. I can't see you. I can't see you. No, come out of my side. Please.
No, what me have
Come out of my side.
No, so if you laugh with the two. Can I come like I'm talk to you, you know this is not true. You're not here.
What is a bad man?
What do you mean by bad mind? By the way, not if I talk to you, I'm a friend.
My brother and I can't live good.
What do you mean by live good? You don't live too good. And that's a problem.
Good you.
Good you.
Like, bro, like,
Hello.
bro. Like,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
bro.
friend, where I come from far,
Just
right?
a chill, man.
Yeah.
Look here, sir. If I was still over there, still over there, I'm not talking.
Hey, isn't that funny, you know?
I say sweet, you. Me I talk, you know.
Girl, why you try? Why?
Look here, you need to stop what you do. You need to stop what you do because that is not right. If you stop, take a sister man over, that full time.
Look, you have soap on the money. No problem.
Hello? Me busy, I'm so call her back. As me as you know, me you come from far, right? And if you stop, take your sister,
I
man.
made them miss much.
And you come and let you not even care. What me do? What me ever do in your life?
I try. My sister went to my house. I know.
Me not try. Me and your friend, and me try tell us something. I try put up on the right path. And then they tell me the difference, you know.
I know when you done talk with me.
What you mean by making, look here. How would I look?
Tired a while ago.
Tell me now, how would I look if the boy bring it to her?
How?
You and bring the sister.
How?
What you call it, pitney them? Sister cause or brother cause?
Girl, how that come in? Move that. How that?
What you mean by how that come in? You have to drop in because if you and the boy have sex and your sister the boy have sex.
Me the boy not
Suppose
have
the
sex.
boy gonna bring it to her now. Eh?
Girl, you know,
That would have
we are
looked
stuck,
ugly and
you know,
dirty.
that we there, you know. If good man there and somebody see potential in him and him something, and me never confirm, so me and the boy have sex. Stop calling sex for me and the boy.
Me not call on sex because
You
I
know,
know
see a
so
man
not have
and
sex.
somebody soon find the goodness in your man, and if you never good man, you take him because you come you
Take
never
him.
fight, you know.
See how you're not good, he's not a good friend.
You
You're
want
not a
to
good
find
sister.
my girl, I'm interested in her, I'm my type. But anyways, I'm here still. Somebody soon take away your man, because man is starting.
First thing first, me not have no man for nobody take away.
You see, man is starting.
Me not have a man for somebody take away.
Go and stop calling certain things for me and the nigga. Me you know nothing.
Stop calling certain things for a nigga you know nothing what you want him do. Liar.
You know me there around joking him there, so. But
You
if anything
lie.
him want me, me
You
don't want
lie
him.
bad. You can't tell me that me come from never know since the type of person you be.
Brittany, why you so nosy? Why? Why you so nosy?
My nose big so that you don't have people business obviously so I know
That's
where
so
you talk
nosy,
about.
man. If nosy was a person.
That will be me, I know.
You
You not make me know. You not for remind me about
You not
that.
hold no meds, fam.
And you not want no meds because you take a system and you feel strong about it too. You feel good about it.
People then next door, you
Me
can't.
no business. The neighbor is supposed to hear about you and know about it.
You know, so that's my only problem with you as a friend. I love you, Brittany, but you're just too much. Your mind.
It is not too much. It is not too much because me and your friend, right? Me I try to tell you the right thing you don't want to hear. I had this
You're
man
stressing
top
me
on
out.
it.
Yeah,
You're
this
stressing
you know,
me
you're not
too.
mind your own business.
Okay, man. That mind my own business, man. Don't worry yourself.
Watch the man where you stalk you. Watch the man where you stalk you.
Don't worry yourself about who has at least a man has start me. The man has start you.
That's your sister man that stalk me.
Your sister man not start you.
How do you make a bro though? Like, that's bro, fam.
Bro.
On some real shit.
Bro.
That's
Bro.
Like, bro code, like, for real, for real.
You don't want to hear nothing.
Anything you say still, go and think what you think. You always say energy can think. You think negative and nothing like that.
All this well, man. Go on the way I do. Big up yourself. Go say nothing.
Why? Me don't know how you're so wicked, eh? Me tell you top by saying them people in a queer. Every day people in I see them people ask me for uniform people in.
Why she that sweet?
Yeah, where
You know,
you hurt you, you take a medication for
Yeah,
man,
me the
your
maid that
man
hurt me.
stress. Your man stress medication. Go and take your
Come.
medication. And
So
I'm
now I must know they ask me to
like,
pick the bed from morning.
the pigeon must be. The pigeon must be. Yeah, beat up girl road. Beat her up, Nana. Yeah, beat up girl. Beat up girl.
Leave me alone.
Beat her
In a uniform. Go take off a uniform. You better can't be here for one suit.
And then beat her.
No, no, papi. One suit.
Beat her up, Nana.
Oi!
What's it? Beat up auntie too, because auntie attack boy uniform. Beat up the whole of
Me
them.
tell you top.
If you ever
That is just, you can't answer me.
Hold
That
it
is it.
tongue, because tongue full of power. What did Jesus?
Well, mine, I don't want to be rude
So
to
you
you.
Jesus, I don't want to leg on my tongue and wrap it
Okay.
for you, so go and stop.
The anti
I reach fear, you know. Brittany, you know, your man soon come start.
You have to make sure say I pay good attention to him, you know?
And I said, I'm
What
come
you
on,
mean?
sister problem and sister business.
You know, my love my sister, I live with, but I cover the food again, please.
Don't
Thank
with
you very much.
me.
Okay, thank you, bye.
Lick me.
Beat her up,
Go
Nana.
beat your mother.
Beat her
Your
up.
mother, Nana.
Grip him, Nana. Grip him.
Your mother no good.
Grip him.
Your mother.
Come.
Sis, girl, you know what? Girl, I didn't make a shop. I want to make a shop. Dutchy Rosie. In here, the shop tells the Dutchy Rosie, sit down for your name, said the way boy, you are your man, and this and that, and the boy no wants you. I am man, the boy. And me, my sister, no mind, man. You know, we don't start to go up there.
1 year, Rosie. We can't keep him, man. He man.
Change man every month.
You can't come.
Give it to Auntie, thanks. Good girl, she said that.
At least
How we
Rosie
go up there
every
with him
month.
job, you know? He say, yeah, jump out my head. See la.
I fool my Rosie I think now.
If you get her to take over Rosie,
Yeah.
he mind too much business.
Peep too much.
He got too much people life. Yes. We go to the job.
No, not say me say no problem. But yeah, my sister, me tell you what I want nice street.
He will say if you come from under people life and make it like that, I get.
Rosie, let me.
Our I said so up in my head, he still see you, girl. You can't hide that or no. Because if you put them with 1 year, they can watch people business.
Okay, that's a sound familiar, but anyway, carry on. Yes, sis.
And the people who buy certain money can take people, man.
You know I'm too rosy, so just sit up on my name up there and him and the game board. When a new year come, him and still a game board.
No, but for Rosie, man, I give her a bun, maybe, love. Don't do it.
Cause Papa, you give you a bun. I don't ever talk about. Why you
If
don't
in
talk
there,
about that?
if in there, give me money, you wanna start me like that, baby, love. Come clean the man.
No,
Because
man, tell me
you
how
can
me
take
live
it
my
there.
life.
People like my mystery.
I want my me keep.
Yeah, I want man, one man, I keep too.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, one woman, my brother-in-law.
Look at me.
My brother-in-law.
Yes,
good
he
boy,
said if
everybody.
my man could like keep one next year, then man, I'm cutting short and sleep.
And you know, if me know me, I tell you, sis. And I watch him fear too. Yes, sister,
Alright.
girl,
My sister girl back me no time, every time.
Yeah.
No,
Right,
girl
it's
can't
okay.
diss me a road, they will disappear.
Yeah, we go for girl.
All roads will make it disappear up and yard. You know what I mean?
Go for them.
If you mind business,
Because
if we have any man stress out, I'll be a liquor shop in man there. Every day man there liquor shop and girl shop.
smell like rum and cigarettes.
Exactly. Let's say man I'm out.
And the
Because
man
our
never
road
beat her.
every day woman need to get like him
At
and
least
not
the
need
man
no
not
cover.
beat you. The man never beat her like Tina Turner, Ike Turner.
Because
Come
I
on,
have no
come baby.
what this right now. You know, I'm gonna go for Rose here because Rose
So now come for Rosie and
No,
Rosie and
no,
this
no,
and
no.
that for.
Because Rosie too nosy like you. Go ahead. Rosie, you go as your mother in our next
the
life.
7 like
Or
people,
yourself.
you know.
But don't like people, we don't like nosy people. And people
Hey.
stop watch out
I'm
with
not like
things.
people love take people, man.
Yeah, we don't like some girl who have good man and I know. Yeah. Right, that's so she is.
Exactly. I'll get to say how big cause I'll take my man.
Mm-hmm.
If a girl this try to take my man and she disappear, no? Believe me.
So it's with
Them
big
me
girl,
understand
bust
how
up
they
girl
not
face.
disappear yet.
Oh?
Me no
Really,
know.
what is your problem? You come like, so you lick your head like Papa is slamming and while you lick your last for your school.
Yes,
One to you.
Me no know something. Me no take my meds from mine. Sorry.
In brain, I go in my mouth.
It's a lunch.
Yeah, this is that.
And it's really actually and it gets on different
long
cause
game.
baby. Because it don't look good.
You know look good.
Mine is a hot girl, top girl, never flop girl.
And I have
Um,
you just let me a blush. You know something I really, really like you.
nice idea, though.
My life my sister one day with me.
Tough.
You said we're going there and we'll have some fun.
Oh, go on, that's
I'm gonna
Oh, yo.
yeah, man.
What? You know, somebody nearly shooting thing. I set him up on me one in there.
No, my sister, man, you're crazy. You can't have Papa. I'm telling you, same brain too, chippy chippy, you know.
No.
That day I tell him.
Anyway, one more man there.
She's not there, no, mama gone on the road, gone look work or something.
No, look, work.
Yeah, cause...
I come tell mama, say, me don't want to go look no work for now. Yeah, me don't want to work for now body. She fit in my arms, right through the night, if you look for her right through the day.
Jesus, Papa, you come with you again.
Yo, I love the Empress, you know, man. I really love her. I kill everybody around her.
Papa, I talk to her, but like she'll take it back, you know. When I say this, you don't try hard enough.
You,
Or you need to try much harder, man.
you don't talk to her and say, put her out, man.
Give
She
me
not no
a
option.
yeah, me I give you a deal, Papa. Me I bring in for a long time, and you know me a good girl. Give me a thing, man, and see if I can press in hard. And you rate me still now, and we take it in for
Let me ask you a question. Which one I think you want? You want this a thing, yeah? Or you want the thing a shop? Which one? Make up your mind, you know, because that's two things we know about, you know.
Papa, I'm going to say I push me, Papa.
No, you can't
I know
tell
my
me.
family clear ground, so Papa.
If you change though, you know.
Me in too ignorant, brother, too ignorant,
No,
brother.
let me tell you, you can't do soft woman. If it's soft woman, they take it like a football.
Make you play soft look a while and then you know, sir.
Hey, look how your sister go through ups and downs and the whole long you know and cheat for now you're good boy or
Yeah.
something. Yeah, brother, Brian, a good road.
Yo, let me tell you something. When you come on to cheating, I pass that cheat. So I don't know what you're talking about now, cheating. Nobody no loyal on this earth.
No, some liar to my woman, man.
Cheating,
Loyal,
cheating.
man, you're living proof, Papa. I know you're loyal to Brittany said way. Just give him some time, I'm telling you.
Yeah, me loyal to me gun. I'm a woman, yes, but me gun me loyal to my car. Now feel me.
You're pushing badness too.
I don't push.
Papa.
No, me now push back this. You know what is love? You know what is love?
Love and the badness don't work,
Me-
brother.
me-
Tell
me-
me, brother, kind of.
No, I regret the
man.
day me box the taxi man, yes. I'm my fault. I regret the day me shot the man in the foot.
Yeah,
They think
temper.
that
We
they
are
should
talk
free to go
about.
play.
Yeah, but me could have killed them. I'm gonna kill them because I don't grow so.
But then people they can't pray and pray, you have to look over your
Yeah,
shoulder
yeah,
all the time.
No,
You know, you can't come back.
Man,
and
taxi
see
man
somebody.
good man. Because I see what they buy my drink, man, good. I tell you, I misunderstand. I tell you, I didn't too rum. But me never had no rum. Me didn't just connect in my box because it's too bright. You can't find man who man and call him sweetie. You better say lady or mom.
Papa, you know, listen, everything we say, I use something else to justify, Papa. You have to change.
You not like a man up on your woman and say sweetie.
More like that, though. Me do a talk to him now, I just.
Yeah, right, yeah.
You don't look like, you don't want a woman look off your man and take him right in front of your eye.
No, no girl can that. My man and my man are supposed to be easy, just like women are supposed to be easy.
Right, that's the thing me I try to show you. When me see boss I call him 1 o'clock in the night, I don't like it.
But I work, Papa, I work.
No bro, if you come down so, you can't be a woman in your yard. When in their work, boss call him when in their work. When in their yard, a yard.
Yeah, your woman has stressed me out, man. Tell you.
No.
I mean, I'm a little stressed out.
The boss must know, say.
The
The boss must know, say, the woman need time a yard with a man. You don't call him at 9, call him before 5 o'clock. Until you want to call her before 5 o'clock. Because you know, say, in the night, and me and I had a meet. I would just do look lovely. Me say, me did the man, and me ready to go insert the pen. And when the phone ring, I will check a boss, the pen down no more ink.
Jesus.
The pen can't even bother write no ink no in there.
Take the case and just give me.
Eh?
You can't bother.
Tell me now.
Me I try to tell you, Papa, but you not hear me. I have to tell you, brother.
By the way, we had to put the veranda with the sister man sit down like that, so.
Me tell you when you just come in a reason, me a reason, brother.
Yeah, no reason.
You know what reason?
You know, say and Britney deserve each other as heavily meant multi like yours. I'm
No,
say so.
The same thing happening.
My brother can't live good.
I want to tell you, brother. Sometimes you have to make a choice yourself. You don't make people make no choice to you.
Yeah.
So if I look shit, I
That's
look
why Britney don't choose you. Papa, I come out of me
No.
dad. When you come out of my brother, say, Papa, man, head phone.
me know my woman still love me. He just have one bad because in the round. But listen, I'm telling you something. Don't make nobody choose you. You hear? Me know she for a long time, back in the day.
Where you know about me, Papa?
She
Where you know? No, Papa, come out of my house. No. Papa, where you know about me?
Yeah.
Come out of my sister house, Papa. Papa, where you know about me? Where you tell the nigga say?
You don't like when nobody live good.
Are you not like live good? Can you bring the good?
Because when you want me and Britney live good, you that talk to her for
Papa,
me.
may I bring but you pass the place now. You
Yeah,
can't
she
come
don't
and tell the man
teach
them
you
something there.
She's not a good woman to get no good advice from. May I tell her that? The last girl when me take up a mine to school, you know, before me know him friend, you know.
Yeah.
She perplex my brain and mash up my brain for the chat to the girl.
Me, Papa?
And then take the money when me give him to give the girl for pay for your college fee and so. She take it for herself, mash up the girl college
You
fee.
believe that, brother?
Huh?
You know your good sister-in-law make you good advice on the work for you. What you
Yeah, good sister-in-law, but where? In a bed. After I'm better right now, you're asleep with him.
Me, Papa?
Never sleep with her.
But generally, you can't make woman
Jesus.
control the life. Because if you make woman control the
No.
life, you will put it in the front of a bag
Papa,
and
you're
pants in
really,
the wash.
Papa, you're really and truly. You pass your place many
No,
times now.
but-
Papa, you can't. Papa, you can't. This is very disrespectful now.
No, come on, be real with me,
I'm
you
a
know.
sister, man. I'm for dear pass my place and go to them levels. The Papa, please go. Can you just have your woman stress so you come and that? I see me Britney stay. Britney come here and she had dash her man probably. When she come back, just take her and just go on. And just go. I don't want to see two again. Can I try mash up my sister and yes for me a catch?
Yeah.
Here's for me a catch.
I'm my fan.
Papa.
I'm my fan. Come on, sister, you're like
With a woman stress, and I'm my family Britney don't want it back.
Alright,
You know, probably not under something right.
Enjoy,
Fix yourself.
Enjoy, love
Yeah. We love each other, that's it, bro, and some bro and sister shit, like, that's it.
Yeah, I really bro on some sister shit. Because this past more than that way you're talking about right now.
I know where you think, Father.
I know what I think.
I know where you think.
Okay.
You don't want to know what I think. You don't want to know that you have a woman lying
I
on
hope
me.
Britney take your back, and I hope she don't take your back. Can you see you know you're coming too much
Yeah,
complications?
let's
Let's
stop
go.
this.
Yeah, thank you very
All
much.
the
Bye,
way-
Papa.
All the
Bye.
women
One
sister
you
can't
deserve
come
in
and
life.
say,
You want to be the same, you're going to deserve each other. Bye.
Alright.
I thank you. Bye.
Yeah, man.
That's it. Move that. What kind of argument thing coming, bro? I'm jealous of what I'm
A full time now for you stop the way you do, I always talk to you about it.
Pretty why you know? You're come out this time.
No, it's the same thing me combo. You can't take a sister man like that girl. Watch ya?
She's a fan of
And you come like say you were proud of it too. Me and your friend, but I can't do that.
Brittany, come back to the
You
same
have
point
no
argument
people like
again.
you. What you say?
They come back to the same point argument again.
You know what, I come out on the business, you see me? Sister and sister, I not come in there. Blood thicker than water, I not come in on the business. Don't know what to do. Oh. Yes. I'm cooking too. I see man come and skin teeth.
Time to Brittany.
You mean go on to Brittany? You pick me and one clothes where you have and one uniform. Where you put on the picnic for me for?
Girl, me I go to bathroom.
Go which bathroom as the man come. If he's a me in there.
How are you?
You come put on the picnic for me. Girl, don't do that. Don't do it.
No. What should I talk about? Brittany and Anna coming so. I should always have great when she come here.
No. I don't like to we interact or nothing.
Look here, me no want hear from you because you're liar. You're liar. Me no want hear nothing from you.
Here, Brittany, you need to quit this now.
I didn't need to quit it because you're not good somebody. You're not good sister.
Here.
I see my million one man you come and check me every day.
You don't want to hear man, then, girl.
You want to my man then? What you want your sister man do? What you want your friend man?
Boy, you could go in and deserve good treatment.
Look here.
I mean, never hear talk about that.
Me
But
not-
you always talk about other
Me
things.
not in this with you.
You don't feel say how good you can deserve better treatment. You don't see all this unhappy. Look on him. He's stressed out and he's
I know my
stick on
business
that and
that-
he maga down. She make him maga down like him smoke rubber.
Not my problem. If you know what to do and you tell her, are you and next one to pick up for your mother? If you know what to do and you tell the girl, say you know what to girl, simple as that and then break up if you want to go out with him, I go out with him. But this is wrong. I can't. You could never. What you?
Girl, just go and talk. Where go?
Want to talk to where do the picnic?
He won't show me pump. If you see
Which pump? Pump in the bedroom. I must tell the pump there. Put it, baby, and pull it back. Put it. Look at that.
Maybe me go in the room. Me watch me
Go
on
in the
bathroom.
room. Go take steel pipe that you are going to do.
A
A different pump you are going to deal with in there. Go
Oh
on.
no, you hear she said no.
Go on. Go and get your body fixed, girl, that you
Come,
want.
mama.
For your sister, man.
Juice. Let me give you juice.
Juice, let me pick the palm me. And that's what I do. No worry yourself. I hear.
Juice.
Don't say nothing to me.
Good girl.
Why you gonna say that too?
Yay. Come on.
I
Like,
just
you see
show
you.
them,
Come
show
on.
them.
Come and show you a pump. And you fix the pump.
Me not look off your picnic, you know. Me not look off far. Oh. Make you go on that table because me not look. Not looking. Yes, good Jesus. For the booty.
Yes, God.
Really?
Eh?
I'm mad. What again?
Boy. The man said nothing.
Tell him I say not take good care,
Good
you know.
timing.
We tell him, why am I having it? Oh, mad at it.
What you say?
Why am I?
If you would ask your man, you ask your mother, not true?
No, because children just have to hear me killing so that
You can't fit in this year. What can't fit in this year?
No, what am I doing?
Look here. You want to rush for the day?
Why next one day? Give me one day.
Hey!
Yes, tell
You
him.
really want to rush for the Monday?
Why there?
Your man is making love.
Making love.
Your man make love.
We are talking about make love in a food for house. With who?
Look here, tapping nice.
With who?
No must be the sister, could have who else?
What do you mean? Roll us up?
I yeah, somebody like you like it.
Hello? Oi, children.
Happy your man that she not cocoa there, me not tell no lie.
What's up?
Lord is good.
Did I sleep in that family?
Did I sleep here just gone in there?
Yeah, but
Where you come from?
What show you the behind
You gotta show me steel pipe and I think I need to show you.
What tell me sis?
Yeah.
Mash up the girl and mash up the boy. Where you at? You come out here. You come and see.
Antoine, where you
Mash up the boy. Take down one of them slam in your head. Watch it.
Are you ready to stay in the room?
What do you mean? No, no.
Yo man, what you doing? Come and slam off your face. No rock with me. Run girl, you play with.
Girl, I'm gonna take you up in the house. Bring baby.
Are you come back on next babu?
No, not me.
Yeah, take him and I move like say you move like so soft.
Like that, pretty shut up, man.
Yeah, take him sister, take him and I move like say you soft as I would have done a girl right now. And the boy, you see how you? And the big fire we have. Hey, stop it all, please. Don't show me tell
Bring baby.
Put up in there and come out on the business.
Bring baby.
You don't concern me.
Like really, I saw it one wicked. Me a feed on in the house. I really know. Jesus.
Hey,
Are
we not do nothing. We not do
Sis, me not do nothing. You can't listen to that girl. That girl a mad girl. You pull a man from
What is
there.
it? Yeah, who am I gonna change that girl?
Go change the uniform when she up.
You are a wicked girl, bring
Go take off the uniform.
My friends about wicked girl. Yeah, wicked girl. You sleep with my man.
Alright, sis, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm intimidated.
Where's that girl? Come out.
Don't start
Carry that touch me not. Come on.
I don't wear baby beat them.
Sorry.
No one stoop down here.
Don't stoop down for me. I tell you about girl.
No, God.
Why? You see, but they listen to me as a good friend.
I'm here, man. You pick me up in the pal, run and left you. They do everything for you, and you really are sleeping, man.
I'm good to tell me say I pick up overseas and send money and send things. Me don't know what's this girl like you? Call a pick up friend, make him send money come
Give me beer.
And the pick no deserve. That's how if you pick no wine for it.
Go on. Stop.
Make it pick up time, man. Go on here, man. Go on. You might my set thing.
This is not going for you. Can't put me on my
No. Me I talk about so. You should talk about when you are sleeping, man.
Sis, I'm sorry. This will give me flavor.
I'm sorry. Cause a long time I tell every top take him and the girl never dare stop. But me talk about you know say me up in the mountain and talk
I'm glad make a friend come here. I'm glad make a friend come here.
You know what? I'm
But just stop about this, sis. Sorry, sis. Like,
stop over. I want to put out the footboy there. Hello. Call him.
You run him out.
He not gone. You see him shadow. That's what a while ago. Call him. Hello.
Come here.
Go.
I'm really sorry.
You know, put me up
Make him out grown. Make him out grown. They do it right. So I'm not grown up table. We go get a buckle, you go spin it, and
Yeah,
anybody
buckle.
in
Yeah,
Japan,
I want to
it's either you go choose which of the girl them you want from now or you spin the buckle.
No.
You don't do fair choose because you're too
Choose and you sleep with my sister. Better than anybody else.
Come here, I make you take him and go on.
Fresh had so much Britney.
No,
Let me do to you. Look how me do everything.
That's not it. That's the picnic there. Other people want to take and get at the picnic too.
I confess.
I can't take
People, man.
I'm a handicap.
What do you mean?
Everywhere be a take people, man.
Listen now. No,
That
I tell
bet
her,
you
no
I
lie.
can't take her
I
get
tell her,
everything.
you deal with me body
No,
rough
Jack.
and everything, but your sister ain't take care of me. Nah, lie. Me ever ask
Me leave you, man.
Watch
Come with me, man.
out. This
Yeah.
not talk about brother.
I'm
Me
leaving
not
now.
doing nothing, brother.
Angry boy now?
I'm sorry.
So get a
You don't know me not have to sleep with my sister? Eh?
Brother, if you deal with me, so what you expect me to do?
Everyone said this boy a wicked. Me a pick so active, this boy didn't want me. This boy can pick so active for me, you know?
Me there I see
Me tell this boy to get so active for me.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
boy take
All they
years.
do, look here, all they do is get up and sex with the sister at the time when I'm in there. You could do it too, girl. I don't see the girl, man.
Sorry for me if I misjudge you. Right? I'm really sorry. Because I can't believe you're some sister wicked. And me see her tell me for the first time, you know, I never really believe you. Because it will how she a getting on my head. Right? You know, see her really is a real girl.
Me there, tell a friend day one, but you I believe me. You can't just judge a book by its cover, you
Even
know.
if you want to stay here, you can still stay here. You understand? You can.
Baby.
Look here, don't come bother with me about no baby. Excuse. Move out of my face.
No, man, we change, man.
What is change?
We get a work now.
No, sir.
We get a work, so we want to pay attention to you, baby. Mhm.
You make me a feel laugh at you.
We can't
Excuse.
see us.
Get out. What kind of work again?
You have something by your side?
No, we dash you, man. Put it on, man. My wallet. See them, put it on. We get work now, man. We get work.
What kind of work again?
Me have work at the front desk. You know, we have subject. We have subject, man. So
Me never see you no officer.
we
But me
get
just
a
a
front
say.
desk work, so me have to work with it.
Different people.
You have to change, man. Now drinking alcohol.
See man, you know, one crib in your hand.
The thing is, me no want to run back in a relationship.
No, me now watch you again, man.
No,
Me now-
then next you start me worse than how you did go on from me.
All the taxi man, me see him and me hear him too, and he
Yeah,
talk
he-
and he carry from work
You
today.
care from work today.
Yeah, we hear him tell him, you know, when we reason it out, you know, sorry, I'm just looking
Me
to
can't afford if me I go on the road. You dey on the road with me. There walk.
No, man.
You there walk like you're security. You walk.
Don't worry about that. You can't watch me now.
Oh, me not time for watch no man. Where you take me for?
So I want no time for that.
You know what I'm saying? Big something, do something, so I go. Me have my sister here over years, live here with me, you know. She have one little daughter, and me take care of her. Her baby father running gone live for her. And me have my man here live with me, you know. The girl that do nothing more than sleep with my man.
I never see fire without
Right?
smoke. You know what? If you come here one day, go see them for the veranda. I will tell him to me that trophy. I never say me and my woman tell
The
the
girl
same
would
way.
have take God off her cross, so she not sleep with the man. She had tell me say, how me feel run him away because of a wicked boy and he not do nothing more than draw me down, you know? And the girl, if she didn't come here, me wouldn't know they would have run up and down behind my back.
So where is the man? Yeah, me not see me.
Me run him away, me tell him say, don't come back, and me love him, you know? Me love the boy, the boy now work and me a work and mind him and mind house
You
here.
know, fling it up, man. You know, give him it good.
You know
Of
about
course.
fling it up and give you good.
Me give me twice.
Why did you love me, master? Why did you go crazy? But me realize that because of the gun make she move up, so I just dash her away and put on me straight.
And because I know gonna call you did that start me. Me dey work with me to prep under me tail. You walk.
Yeah, come
Me
and
have
love.
so much time you away you can't answer me.
Come and love you. Me don't know if I eat food when you cook. But me love her, you see me, so me for watch her. I mean, not cheat on her. You could cheat on her with your sister, cause your sister love me, you know.
I want loose girl me having on my place. I'm sorry for that.
You get a little
And know say as little as my baby you know a bad mouth baby. But if baby just a boy come like him.
Because him the baby a fight we have to. Baby come back me na me knee cup. I lick off of this one.
I'll be that one.
I baby that the but his mother broke him so.
Come on,
What are you doing now, eh?
Not try home no
Look
man.
here, me not forgive you fully. The best thing, you go on the front and me go on the back. How could I cause this
Oh,
now?
dog, yeah.
Hey! Why?
Come tell some sorry, I'm not begging for your forgiveness. Please, man. Never need to do all of this. I swear.
Big man, I tell you what you say for man up, you know. I tell you what you say for man up.
You know what you
You can't do stuff. Me understand that this sister abuse you or rape you, yes? But you intentionally take it.
Look up, pick up film or rape.
Yeah, rape.
Try to do me
Because if
one of the wrong
me
things.
teach you something, every man, you see, they're weak to the
When and where do not talk. You did there?
No.
You did there, me did there, you never there, you contract gonna rape. Him
Exactly.
him and the girl, my so-called best friend, yeah. The two of them in front of me face in a chat about yes, I'm gonna room go this and that. And then going there more than one time right in front of my
No,
face.
when me teach you something.
More than one time I still not that the hall and then going in that room and go walk out, come back out and then come and boast in front of me and go
The
out.
man weak. Listen to me.
The man weak.
The man weak.
I know we telling himself to weak, he better lift up too.
Your man weak.
Right.
So you see the flesh control him. So you can't do blame him because you have him like
Now
a...
go see if you are to take back this
Listen, you
boy.
have him like a sponge. You dip him in the water and you squeeze him. I'm afraid of you.
Me, fear of me?
You have to respect your man. You can't do go like you're the man. And the man are with the underpants and you.
What do you mean? Me do every, this boy lazy, you know, behind wall. This boy can't do nothing.
No, if you can't do nothing, you don't rough him up. You sit down and teach him. It's just like when I teach a baby, if it's A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3. You teach him and say, listen to me. If you can't man up, you go on. But you love his soft soap. You love to squeeze him like a sponge and you know what you do. Because if you
Me
know,
can't squeeze him, you let him tough like a rock. How me if you squeeze him?
you know, work towards,
Hello.
work towards my
Tapping night, don't work towards. Can we make this now work, you know?
Alright,
Me make this now work, because I can't chat about work towards nothing.
I'm sorry.
Excuse
Exactly. Focus on your relationship right
I'll leave people in
Look
a
at this
relationship.
boy. Don't come down. Hey, tell me to come down more.
Alright, come on. We can't help you.
Right?
Me not,
Can't
How will I love my relationship?
Go with them.
me tell you, me not walk with you.
What
I
we do?
walk up from me, I walk up.
What we do? You yes, I'm sleep with man.
Hey,
You yes, I'm sleep with man. You're bright. You come.
go on the front, no man.
Oh. You can't help yourself.
So sorry, you're not come out of the lady place.
You just want
Listen,
to know
backside, come on.
No more to know if you not come out of the lady
You
place.
see,
No,
trail
no.
in a yellow. I trail for power. Yes, you go on.
Oh, so wait, yeah, run me too.
No, sorry. No, you're not go on.
Go on. No, go on, me I come, go on. Go on, no man.
I laugh. How will I try you?
Because
Yeah,
it's
try
one
it.
in a yellow. So it one must under some. We don't know what it one up to.
In yellow, have a black, you know. In yellow, have a black. So mind your words.
Me just let Brian say me that me and me whole heap of things I go through my mind.
No, you-
What about the guy I want to get my way?
Stop. I will fight.
Please do. Lick him down.
Wait,
Lick him down.
I mean,
Hassan,
I am cheap from you know.
brother, I right thing me a try.
when you talk to woman like a them, when you talk to woman like a them, I'm say, yo, if you love me, you fight for me, and top galang like so.
How if you find somebody with cheap on me? You have sense?
You know why man cheap on
You
you?
know me one house and prop me one room.
I should have on your yai top.
Name in.
You have to cheat the man like a big man, have cheat the man like a
She's gonna
boy.
get right on her nose.
You really that for me, no? Like I read buffoon.
Me
Yeah,
come
upload. Yo, take yourself and go on. Go on. Go
Are
on.
you? You see you? You're trying to have no girl pick me, you know?
God.
Because you see if you have no girl. So you're pushing me down the front.
Eat the apple like a eat the apple.
Okay, I try and figure.
Please, man, beg you a chance.
You must can't go along for me get a chance. No other chance for today.
Hello, sir. You go tell me say, me just come off of the road come buy the little bread. My own money could have buy bread so you can eat you and your sister. I could even sweep up the yard. Eh? What kind of style that? Every day is the same thing. Why you so nasty? All this to the other day. Me sit down. Take garbage you know pile up.
So
Take
we have to
garbage pile up in the settee. Settee bottom left you know buy settee. You have a furniture here, sir?
I'm putting this here.
Why you so nasty? And now you want woman? Eh?
It's the one should be playing. What you say want me to do?
Sweep up the yard, your man. You're the man of the yard.
That means I'm not to do nothing. Want to be playing tomorrow. What more you want me to do?
You must learn. Simple.
Excuse
Excuse me, don't talk to me like that. You're still a child. I'm paying you. What? Really?
And then first I do this, you know.
So you're talking to your mother like this? Like seriously?
Yeah, so.
Huh?
What else more you want me to do?
Clean the place.
We have your data for. We have your data for. Look at CFA. Yeah, don't give me wrong, sir.
I have to buy food for you to eat, clothes to wear, shelter, here to even breathe. The most you can do is just to keep the place clean and learn at school. That's all. The most you can do is just be clean. Don't talk to me like that.
You know, I'm going to leave your place, you know.
No problem. No problem. Finally. Outside and rude. How are you go? So you pack a long time already. You pack a long time already. I'm tired of you too. I'm tired of you too.
Take me down so if you go.
You big and rank and stop piss bed. Eh? You come to about woman yard. Your man will say a piss bed. Ranking boy. Come out of my house, man. Rude. You not leave. You're not leaving. Disgusting.
Like where you look, man. It's probably I go now.
Look up on the road.
Like where you look, man. I stop us in a cool and hear me.
Can I not rush in about here, yes?
Can I cool and hear me?
Yes, I know.
My name is Hector.
My name is Brittany.
Brittany.
Mm-hmm.
Right, come here and see, man. Mom can just see her again.
Well, hopefully.
Right where you look, man. It's probably I go now. Give me a number of my call, you know.
No, I can't do it. I have a boyfriend and he's very strict on me. So, no, I can't do that.
So you man say look now. I rush it off so.
Come in there in a rush, sir. What happened to you?
No, I'm too man. As I said, I don't know how I see her again, you know.
Sir, I'm not in this right now. I have somebody and I want to look for there with somebody way older than me. Understand? I'm in a relationship and I don't settle down, so goodbye, yeah?
See that man, but you're still fat.
Yeah, later time.
Hello?
Who that?
Jutta.
Who?
Jutta.
I watch breeze blow here today now. Anyways, may I come? Hi.
Oh, right.
There. You can come inside. You look nice too.
I want to see boy. I go there for a while now. But Chile, I'm forward in that place, isn't me? So I come there one bus down. I want to see all my son.
Anyways, I can tell her, but before that, what you bring for me?
What yourself?
Alright, so Zayvon now, brother, a pay problem. Him not live here now. Him don't live here. He move out and go live with him woman. Or should I say him woman come live with him? You understand? So him not live here and a pay problem. Him not do good at school. I just waste money going so. No look up IGP, I pay GPA below 2. Him not perform. He just a waste of time and my waste my time to some other. I'm tired of him, you know. I'm sick and tired of that boy there. I'm tired of him.
So all that money them I send from foreign. All that everything we do. I'm a house money me I send him, you know. So tell me something, which part of them live now?
Well, you know, to be honest, him live on a pineapple bottom lane, so me can direct you or I can actually follow you go there. You understand? But him not live here, as I said before, him not live here.
Man, I'll give them a buzz. It's okay. I'm going to start cheating me there and nothing. I have one project place today, you know. But them rent out fee we do it right there, you know. So I said, if you come stay with me over there.
Let me tell you this, and also this come down. Whatever was in the past, now it's the present. I move on, and so did you, so leave me alone. You must be mad. You want my man kill me? Eh? Him know he left this, him know he left it. Wash and clean and turn down. Don't go there, bright.
Hey, watch out. Now, scissors here. We cut me. So forward. So coming.
Anyways, what good is rubbish.
Zayvon.
How that?
Zayvon there.
No, in the air.
Dave and father this thing.
Oh, okay. I'm your girlfriend.
Spartan gone.
You know what I say? I'm supposed to run a back road a cup my yard.
So you know Spartan tomorrow?
Somewhere in our town.
Alright, I'm sorry, man. I look for you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, still.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Bye. Boss, somebody outside come to you.
Who is the person?
A tall Rasta gentleman.
What name?
You know some I don't know though.
Go to say Rasta man, I'm going to know. Oh, but you are. Go on. Go ask the person who him be.
Alright.
Oh boy.
He said his name is Jutta.
Juta. Oh, my general man, send him forward.
Alright.
You good though?
Yeah, man.
You look when I laugh so. You're not getting enough. You ready to eat again?
Yeah, man. Some come back, man.
Go on. Carry man come. Go breathe in here. Go on. Yeah.
Go on there, man.
Go on, my general.
There, man.
Long time no see I, man.
Yeah, man. Dropping that place and all, man. You see?
Here, so you're not there, you're not daddy.
I mean, I tell you, that's beer work and lucky, you see? You know, over them place, they kind of cold, you see? Yeah, man.
You see your son one day, son, that's so. I say, yo. But you ain't keep in contact still.
You say, I'm more girl in crown there.
Because in there, I call you one time. Yeah, man, so I'm supposed to bright boy. I don't know him there no long time, I'm not going to pan that ends around still. Can't talk to you about it. But you're good though.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man, you know?
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. You know what I mean? So you have life, and you're there, everything good. So you're good though, differently. We have a drink and burn one skip and drink 2 beer, man. One of them there, yeah.
Yeah.
You understand? Now one video there, edit up and things there. You know what I mean? So, we'll deal with that. Check back later in the evening, man, or even tomorrow.
Yeah, man, because I pass through me, so I make, you see?
Yeah, man, you
Big
go
up
work.
yourself, man, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Hold on.
You gotta know.
Yeah.
So you want to know.
I'm going to do it on this.
You are say no. I have a deadline on this video to get somebody else. You say, I'm not done this year. You not get no money. I'm not gonna have no money. And my woman I yard love money and she lazy. So, for now, we just done our work here first and then in the evening we can do something. I think about that. I know see you have white liver, you know. Can you get it this morning? I know you want it now. Again. You get him more out that yard, you know. That's good. And what's that? No worries, but give me a little time first. Yeah, go on, what do we have? You eat already?
No, I'm not eat yet.
I know see you white liver, you know. Cause I see you look for me one near me. So anyway, take your money out of the account. Buy something for yourself, buy something nice. And buy something sexy off of the net, some sexy lingerie and shit there. You know, do something in the office. You can costume up. You know, something costumish. You can do one little kitty cat or one little something. Right? Give me something when I get a yard. A yard kind of boring, so I want to look at something smile when I go home. When I go, my wife is me, I smile, so I think she will just see you and think about. Alright, Seki? Terry?
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright. What do you think? Someone talk to you. So,
and daddy are we forward?
Long time forward, man. Every subject when I Senegal college for, you fail. And I this you come and do chop yard. I don't understand that. Are you Ireland?
Man, I'm Ireland. I work, I get some can do work, I get.
I go over your yard. See your girlfriend. Tell me say I work you gone. When I come back out, I say look. This a type of work you do. All of my money you waste at college. Not even one nice subject them. You know you could even clean up one nurse place. It would have even better. No man, me not.
Yo, daddy, me sorry, you know. But you are a top girl, you know, daddy. And you're supposed to proud of me in one sense, you know, daddy. Because you say myself to be a girl, you know, I might feel my subject then, but I don't feel the girlish thing.
I feel the girlish subject. You know, so I let me flick you down and I son at you now. Come talk about. Yo, you say you want to go to college. I stay from foreign and send all my money come here for go to college. So when you stop going to college, you still take the money them. Where all my money them I send come here there? I'm a house money I send come here, you know. That's it. Yo. Where do we do all our money them? Where I send come here from foreign?
Daddy, all of them time they don't give me money for go to college and they are back high class me there, you know. That's it, me on a subject you know, but after they go on to man, me a think no. You can buy me a car, you know, you're a big foreigner, you know. Most can buy me something, man, because I'm tired of walk foot, you know.
You say if you not prove to me and say me I go proud of you, you go just see me come and just lick you down. Because I now grow up no tree, so yeah.
Alright, daddy, later. So you now buy me anything, daddy?
Wagwan. I'm there now, you show me, so you tell me Wagwan.
Well, then I want to talk to you face to face, you know. It's urgent.
This sounds serious. But, everything good with my daughter though?
Yeah, she good. She good, man.
Cause last time you called me, it was something like this. You called me, say this and that, and then two me wake up, the inner you, right? And we get my daughter out tight still, so I not really complain and say this and say that. But what when I say him game, you play again, right?
Whatever that means.
Yeah, because woman I have now is a mad woman. Yeah, so me know she not too like you neither, you know. So you know how it go. Right? And she come from a warmonger tribe. So me not really want the violence. See 2023. I can't manage the stress, right? Can't manage the stress. Alright, so we're gonna make you walk. Me there here upon the record, must have some little thing cause me have a music video I do for small, me edit off here now and then we can go to the so. Alright, so after that now me come check you, right?
Alright, don't have me waiting, hear that?
Because yeah, you see my woman, she love me sugar cane, you know. So more you know, say whoop something like that you have plans, right?
Me say me I eat, I'm gonna come sit in my stomach now, me I eat.
Well, sugar cane good for stomach. It fit your stomach perfectly. You not sick your stomach.
You must know.
You know, see one I wild one them, you know. Every time I see you from miles away, my mom in a pass, see a little lip. So I'm not fool.
I say you put the lyrics some long time. You know easy, you know? And me, I'm a twin sister, can't me.
But differently from that. You know who come check me a while ago? No fear, baby father, come check me. Wanna give the son.
Who you talk?
Yeah man, him come check me a while ago, man. You know what I mean? So him back in our place, you know what I mean? Yeah, so him not know say me breed you and give the daughter, the second child. You know say get a second pity by the way?
Him don't know yet, but I'm gonna know.
Aye. I'm bridging, you know, I don't want it. You and him can explain that there. Because I never seduce you, you know. I never seduce you. I wake up because them couldn't charge you for rape. But you me know you for a long time, I love you. Alright? So
you want to rape you? Me do rape you?
well, if I never give account, you see, alright, a part of my body have no sense, you have no brain. You know what I mean? So I cannot control it. So when I was unconscious, but it was awake, I blame it all the while, I slap it, so bye, you shall know yourself and know what it do. But anyway, it do what it do already, and it make what it make, and it take what it take. So, love my daughter. So, regardless of what take place, make it turn. But you and your baby father have to know that. Me and then no argument about that. But I'm a virgin still. You know what I mean? So what happened already, then it can't happen again. Make it turn. But I can't check you though. You say urgent, I can't check you. Alright? They I fix up what music with the phone, a young youth them. You can hear somebody a cough night, a deep throat, them a say that song name, deep throat. I don't know, young people are talking about, yo, me no night with them. Then now go back to the vegetable and the natural good vibration, reggae music, everything a chop dog. Anyway, me have a long talking, dear. Alright, me come check you, alright. Go and feed your face. Go and feed your face. Yeah, go and feed your face, but feed more than your face. Alright, we go on. Later.
Sure. It's messy, yeah.
Okay, I'll kiss you for you. go on?
Then good.
Me like you when you're smaller. Daddy, look innocent little girl. No, I don't like her just on the road, man. Much man look you for there? No man look you for there?
No.
Man go look, I don't want that. Why can I just come and look a church girl?
Me none of them style them. Me like you look short and cut up. You know, crop top and them things. Me not like them long dress there like a gown.
How much man look you for man in? Because look like a man you want look you go out with just in them way. You dress like the girl them from back road. That's how you're dressing
So
right
this-
now.
this-
It's not, I'm not dissing you, but I'm telling you that if you dress this way, people gonna treat you a certain way. They're gonna call her first. But it's when I dress good, they have to say, Madam, hello, hi. But when you dress like that, I be a big and they have to offer you because that's what. So you go find one nice boy kick you down and back you down because they're dressing like a little hot girl. You get a little hot boy. You see, if you just like one church girl, you go get one lawyer boyfriend and one doctor boyfriend that can take care of you. You want one man to knock you around the corner and lick you down. Alright. You get what you look for. Listen me now. What you come here for today? And I guess you understand, said the secretary tell me said we give you hi. Yeah, look upon her and we look.
Is she first?
No, listen. Between me and you now. She is kind of your stepmother in some sort of language. Wait. Calm down.
Stepmother?
So she make your father happy. So please don't
Make you happy, but make me happy.
listen now. When I am happy, money make. You see when I'm sad, no say you work, no money you come for.
Yeah.
So you go on so. Listen man, you see, I go give you money, you ensure that you go on now. You begin off now. I will talk to my accountants and them say, alright, I can give you a card. Right? So you go get a receipt, I go down. You have your student ID something?
No, I'm not tired.
Alright, what you have to do now? Because you start, more you start, a machine go swipe your money. So this a card, listen now, this year, bring it down to the bank. The same one, Nova Scotia. And let them give you a card. And do not use as much money off it. I go put money. You don't have to come here and check me.
Daddy.
Because I don't want you come one day and book up in a card. So my time she be tell her to lock the door. She don't lock the door. Right? So I don't want you come buck up on your father and make one next baby who knows so appropriate to traumatize you. Alright, here we know. Take your time, go on home. You just talk to your mother a while ago. She want to see me. Don't go over there tell her say when I come. I'm busy today. I have to try done this and something here. You have to learn the trade, you know. You have to learn how to edit and so much time you couldn't get to the work. You could have make extra money. Go on now. What's secretary out there do? What's she do there?
You don't know me not
You see her
care.
on phone out there?
Because I don't like her.
Todash.
Yes, me hear that talk about beats love you and one bag of same thing. I tell you, she's not good for you. Me not like her, so you not like her. Anything we pick no go by, I saw if you go. So
Hear me now. You see she out there, she look like in her prime. I am a whole sugar zazzy. So I don't care about who she love. As long as I get what I get, I give her, she bounce for me, look sugar jump off on her. And she work as secretary, so she work and she collect and every little thing. Don't worry about that. But one thing, more she listen to me say though, I tell her for lock a shop. I just more hear if she has like she give a piece last night. Cause she have certain time when she nobody enough get none of yard, and certain time when like more did just stay that way until certain time. I certain go. But anyway, man enough talk about this. I'm a dancer. Go on. Go on. Go on. Alright, go on home. Tell the mother how this tell some so far.
but wait, me have something more for tell you. See, today when me walk on the road, one big black tough tall rasta man if you have mule. I don't like him. The man chat about how he love me, how he want this from, how he want touch my breast. One bag of same thing, daddy. One bag of same thing.
Alright, my daughter. Because that's so my time look for you from the side, look at me too. So
Daddy, see you, daddy.
come. Go on home.
See you.
Hello, stop look for me.
You could have said that I travel in your office, daddy, no?
You can't boss her ass, you know. If they yard, but they are in the office. So when they are so, me there. She tell me, say, yeah, the pan phone talk out the door. When they hear me have an agreement. You do not talk to your man here until you go out on the road. So when they are, you are finished. And your man must not come here. Why enough you do? And when I say lock shop, I'm paying you for that, right? And you're doing nothing good. But I want to like Chattel, because she, you know, I'm looking at that.
But she don't like me.
No, she don't like, but you see, you know, you can bust her ass. Anytime she get problem, we go give you the authority. When you lick her, no lick in her eye or nothing, but lick her in a place before you know, say, lick her in her foot bottom in her sharp ribs and then we there. We go apart, yo. Can you deserve beat? So you get all and on the law pass already. We can't beat her, but you can bust her out and me party and say, oh, it's a little fight. But we pay your money afterwards. When I did them, man, because I know she want to beat. Nah, look, you're just nice. You're just like a lady, but you're a. Look at that. Look at that. Come down. I'm done that project here, so please. Yeah, too much temptation. I'm so ready for you. Here? Alright. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright, careful.
Excuse me?
It's only enough I can't change it to go on.
Waiting.
We can't. Cause I give me to eat already, mommy.
Cut them off. Cut every part of them.
Don't worry, give
Won't
me.
me get to eat. Don't worry about that when we
Mommy,
kill.
I can't clean up the kitchen.
Brittany, relax.
I
Relax.
don't feel good now, I'm going to sleep.
You're getting older and you must learn these simple things to keep your house clean, your kitchen especially.
It's so hard when the chicken for food cooked, don't you?
No? Just take them off. Yeah,
Don't worry, give me them to eat and I'm playing, mommy.
It's not, I must say grandmother yet talk, I can't be.
Mommy, I use
It can't be me, it can't be me, I know me at all. Don't do that.
So for black some kind of chicken for eat, everything, you not give yourself them to eat. Yeah,
Where try crew?
Mommy, kuya, when them go to the restaurant, I get them a black bucket pan chicken for dinner.
And your point is?
Yeah, give me them for eat. If like a price, you want price me or something.
Brittany, my daughter, don't do that. I love you out there, I want to poison you. I don't want to kill a long time. I'm trying to say you're pregnant. You're good papa. Don't do that.
See me then cut off the my kitchen work.
You must learn. You're getting older. You must learn to do these simple things to keep a house clean. You understand? One day you might get married, have a family for yourself. You have to learn. You can't expect me to be doing everything, paying bills, feeding you, and cleaning the place. Don't do that. How dare you? And stop complaining, man. Go on. Yes, the life of a mother. More black. Yeah. Come inside now. Come on, let's tell you the house is already. Come in, man.
You say you're calming, but you truly want to support your don't know what you're
You know, sit down. Mr. Come in.
Yo, that problem joke with me, so I go on now.
Well,
First, let me apologize about yesterday. Yesterday, I said I come back on link you, I couldn't make it. Right? Because I get tired up with some things. Is it? But differently now, we says what's so important? So wrong with my daughter?
well, my daughter, okay, and nothing you're amateur, but I want to talk to you about she. You understand? It's like not the arm up on the head, right? There, so. But I understand, and don't want you judge me, understand?
Yeah. What may I say? This sounds serious. But talk to me still, man. I'm not judge you. After I'm not judge. Judge it not. Judge you, judge me. I'm not judge you because you can't judge me. Talk to me and tell me what I'm going on.
Alright, I will tell you, and this is just the truth. You see, my daughter, like back in the days, like anytime she was, when I was younger, right, and...
So you can't say your daughter?
Relax now, it's like our daughter, right? I'm not sure if the child is really yours because my man, when I did about the time, is like me that sex with one at the same time. When the man go overseas, me that sex you and sex in between the same period. So they kind of feel so the child might be yours and the child might be his because when they return just the other day, I dead stamp at the man and I say, I wonder if I could juta pitney. I said, I think to myself, you know.
What may I say to you though? You think say and feel say how much money did I spend over a period of time? Right? How much is your old is the data now? And I mind that data before in a belly me I feed her and thing. Me left for a time now I'm still take care of my pitney. So there's no way you can say this is not my pitney. And what may I say to you though? You go do a DNA, right? Do a DNA and hope for the best. But I'm tell you something. I not get angry, because last year and them time I get angry and I realize it don't make no sense. You know what I mean? More deal just calm. Because I remember time when they were going for me after I get pregnant, you lock me up for pitney maintenance. I'm do my time. I'm come back on mine, my penalty past age of consent. No, start look at business and things turn around. You know what I mean? So one thing I say to you is if I know my pitney, plan fee compensate me for all of the years them I spend on that child. You know what I mean? I still go over with my daughter, but you have to pay back every red cent if I know my pitney because you're wicked. If you are sleep with one man, no condom is okay. But if you sleep with two, one of them must use condom at all times. What kind of mix up that? I could have catch a virus from you. He's a wicked piece of girl. I'm going to tell people you all the while them things you're normal or you're soft. You're wicked.
I understand what you're trying to say to me, you know, I have a strong point, but understand as I remember say, my man, me have sex with my man, right, because of my man, and you become the man. And I tell her, say, use condom, I come to me say, oh, still it's nicer without condom, man, it's nicer, you want to wiggle inside. And I say, stop it, you understand? So, me don't want to use condom. Me don't want to use condom, and I like to say, I'm curious kind of woman. I never say the child is not yours. Me I say there's a possibility the child might not be yours, you understand? So just, you know why you start things to me as some careless type of girl. Because I'm a decent, respectable young lady. I just say things happen at times. You understand? Sex is lovely. Jesus.
You might fool some people, say decent. But I go tell you that you're not decent, you're not special than nobody else. Boy, only one thing I say to you, hope stay, might hit me. Because I go live good either way, you know what I mean? Because I never trust you at the beginning, now I trust you at the end. Anyway, when I go back, I'm an officer now, I'm sorry for dealing. And do not say this to my daughter until you're 100% sure after you do DNA. I don't want, because I know how our mind stay. You're a wicked piece of mama. Boy, I said to you, still don't call on my phone, you know. Until you have the DNA result to see how far pick me. What them say for though? What them going to take a piece of my hair?
I can use your saliva and her saliva at the same time. Maybe a toothbrush or a toothbrush.
Whenever you get book the apartment down the place in DNA and let me know. ready because we don't really like to know for picnic. But you're wicked though.
So now the money can contribute
Go
to
away
the
from here.
test.
Go away and don't talk to me.
You not here one, so you not man love roses.
No, if you back I did a bust come on. But you know, don't talk to
Are
me.
you cross upon yourself?
So don't talk one more time.
I must check it out with you though. No way you try though.
Yo, man, I give you know. Man,
Come on, man.
Come on. I'm below us again now. You take back for again now.
Oh, that too.
You're going to live on the road over the done. Better sure somebody to me.
Jack it to my picture.
Hello, Mr. Me looking your mouth, you know. Stop chat.
But I'm being honest.
Me go take restraining. Hey, remember, you know, when we did to you last time, you know. Do not play me around the mouth. You see, I'm more getting a problem.
I'm gonna find some idiot man. And that's enough to... We tell about Rasta man.
You look man to it from yeah?
Not you. You should not respect my honesty. Anyways, I'm gonna reach over finally, right? Just step on the phone, so I may have...
I come back to Jamaica to start some business, you know. Can't make all that money just don't know. So, I have to know what I do, you see? So you want to say no?
Boy, unfortunately, you have an next child, you have a daughter. Me give the child to somebody else because when I was leaving, I never sure you gonna come back. So, sadly, me give your child to our next man. As in your DNA, your child, your blood, sweat child, yeah, to our next man. You have a daughter.
So when I foreign, you make me give me daughter money, me don't know my daughter. What my daughter there?
Alright, to be honest with you, the thing is that I'm not sure. It's like I feel so yours and I feel like for the next man because the pitney look like it's one. The pitney resemble you a lot. Just the other day I come back me and say, I wonder if I could Jutta one because the pitney just look like it because on the same space of time when I left Ghana foreign, one next man start riding me too. So I don't know. Unfortunately, sorry if I said this but I'm not sure. So you can always do a DNA test to make sure, you understand?
So where she there? Where she there?
Up our next father yard.
Up our next father.
Up the man where
You listen where you say look a while. Up our next father. This really have to start out. More I see her, you know. If you go up on the phone or something, but more I see her. Cause if me have a daughter, post me go up on the road and go look at my daughter.
I can't leave now because she's so coming up so I can go and ease back till she come. She on her way.
If I know you don't know mission too. Just try call her and slap.
Alright, I'll do that now. Boy. Hello? My daughter? How far I reach now? Come home now. Emergency. But be safe here. Your mommy away upon you. Come home now. Alright, cool. Love you. Guess what now, Jutta? She not away coming home, but guess what? You can't mention this to her in a town. But I tell her say you feel or you think I know say you're the father. She can't know until we're sure. She love brush her teeth and she love do her ear, so guess what I'm gonna do? We can always use her ear sample and give it to you so we can do the DNA test, you understand? But do not utter any word to her about me and...
Mommy! What emergency at that boy?
Guess what? Look at the reach. Come over. Look, Teddy.
After me, you talk about emergency. Yes, the emergency. What emergency?
This is the uncle. Your long lost uncle. Uncle Jutta. Look, I'm dark like we.
So this is an emergency? No, this is man there look me.
I'm like, Me not look her for choke. I'm see her, me never know me have them big knees. I'm see her in the street and she look good. You always take money for the son. Why make you never take money for your daughter too? Yo, me dey back at Jamaica, man. You not go alright, man. Sorry about that niece, man. Sorry about that still, man.
Take it easy, because you couldn't know. See, same thing me tell about your dressing on the road. Look how you dress. Supposed to didn't even use your knife and tear it down. Girl, be careful of your dressing. Anyways, like your uncle this year.
Alright, alright, just done alright. Now something for a deal on. I want to place to clean. But the whole of the day, man. One of them days, I have family in the man. Cook up a big pot and all of the race and get to know how to know better. Isn't it?
Yeah, why not? Sure.
Yeah. Yo, what go on?
What about you, Juta?
Me there, man.
Well, like you just a touch it up.
Nah, man, touch down already, man.
Boy, man, chash out.
Yeah, man. I know that me talk about, man. Come and do some business, Dan. Buy and sell. I want to sell the artist clothes, man. Artist handbag them and them something there. You hear me? I say no. Me say you know. You buy online and them something there. So me not offline more of the thing them so. I want to wire some money to you, just shopping for me.
I mean, man, I mean that anything with buying for online. I say, that me love do. Me love shop online. Guys, when I shop online, you get everything cheap. Everything better. You can make some money. You say you want to buy and sell. So you hear me? I say, I say no 500,000, man. I'm just get down everything for you. Simple.
You have cash up?
No, me have my bank account. Just send it to NCB. Me have get. Give me a phone. I put it in it. Man, I come. US, I come from, you know, man. US. You have it, man. You have it. Alright. So that's my 9-digit account number. And you know my name, that's alright. So you just transfer the money. Anyway, if you can put your original 50 for it, no problem.
When I do the work, we send out some money here. I don't do the shopping.
That's what I tell you, I couldn't jump on it.
More than one shopping, I do. You really have the money, no cash for me. No worry yourself, man. We start you up, man. Wire money to you. You know, say by shopping and shopping, change all that.
So what about your baby mother when you go and find me? You know, check her.
Go link her around the man. Check her and thing, man. You know.
I'm good.
Different man around half the thing.
And that, I'm going to tell you, no.
Me not
inform about me, I tell you, say, pass your woman. Win there, you know. And it come like a wall, she a climb, you know, the better man are doing in there, no.
Actually, a long time
But you
left,
know,
man.
actually.
Is it? You know them really?
But you're supposed to can get him back, man. No, you know, money now, man. And USA I come from, you know. Or one, you know, Juta one time, you know, rhyme the Juta again. What one?
You know, see, my invite me over today. Yeah, taxi, man. Over there, I come from. Where you go taxi? Sometimes I'm near the man, but just I go on like say, yeah, a long time I left here, you know. I'm still can't come back and go to book back. I even link call you. Watch out. When I do shopping, you call me. You give me stop up on the chain.
Oh, you mean? Juta, take back your tune, me boy. Oh, you mean? Eh? I want 500,000 to come. Let it come.
Brian! I call him answer. Look at there. Name I call her.
What do you know?
Me get the results now. You never see?
Strong.
Sure. So I come the right time. Breakfast time or lunchtime.
Remember saying not too much on friend to me. So what the result be? What it is?
Boy. So the result here. Brittany dad. DNA report. Should I read it or you will?
Read it me what them say. Let me just
Yeah, sure.
You open already?
Obviously, of course.
So over Brittany.
Wait, no?
No, laughing back.
I'm not laughing, no, so I just ever have this, whatever. Dear Miss K. Shannon.
Hello.
Mr. Dad
you know, I
is
don't-
not.
It's not.
Is not.
Alright, so I'm not. Come out of my
father.
office, yeah. Come out of my office then. Go on where you go. Come out of my office and just look out for the last suit. You have money where you spend from that time you have to pay me back. Because I say it was my child and I've been supporting you and I lack off for that too much time. Listen me. Come out of my office. Where's security there?
We can't talk it out.
Somebody
now.
call the security.
We can't talk it out.
Come
now.
out of my office, please.
Let's come to a deal now. We're adults now. You're not involved in this. We can't talk it out.
Listen now. Listen me. I'm a business person now. Back in there I wasn't a business person. That's why I make sure things more rougher. But since I'm a business person, I love business. So I'm say to you now. I'm gonna calculate how much money I spend per month and how much month is in over 17 years. Alright?
It wasn't planned.
Get out of here. Get out of my office. I don't have the time to talk. I'm eating my breakfast.
Can I call you?
Do whatever you want to do. But yeah, call me. Because we have to see all the money came
No, we can't talk it out. Please. I understand, so you're frustrated and you're mad and upset.
I'm not. No.
But
No.
understand, no. People make mistakes. Are you?
Hello.
I couldn't know because me have sex. You want me have sex just at this
I don't care about that. My advice to you, go don't care about all that drama. Even when I have the house, I'm give the house, I'm shine my house to you. You can't go to court for maintenance same way. I'm do my time, I'm come back out of jail, I'm spend the money and ensure everything alright. No matter business and successful. Here come the best part of the story. Because you didn't know a long time and I pitney. I hear the rumor but I say I don't really believe it. People say it to me. I'm say it to you, you say oh people has bad mind. And you know you if you want a family member know say I know my pitney. So here now, just deal with the consequence. We'll rub about it too. If we not go to the law, I'm gonna tell you how much money you owe me. And then we figure it out. Later.
You know, say too wicked and unfair. I must say two are we involved. Per se, could I say Juta is the father, you know. Juta is not the father. You understand? Juta invest and you invest. It's all invest in the pitney. So what's the big deal? Put us another next man position.
Oh, invest.
You invest in the pitney and the man invest in the pitney too
Oh,
at the same
invest
time. Because we're not sure who. We just come out saying.
What do you say now? So when you take money from me? You take money from a friend to
Of course. Coming and sure what X-Man must do. Money can't be enough. We know this Jamaica is very hard. Money can't be enough.
Say it again. Say it again.
You can't record me now.
Say when I give you money if you put on your lap for put maintenance. You have a next one a friend of mine in the same way?
If you not hear it before, you're not going to hear it again. Me done talk. But I must put yourself in a one next man position. People all make mistakes.
Talk to my liar. Don't talk to my liar. Later.
First thing.
Don't talk to my liar.
Say, if you give her a piece of ass, say everything you can, I think you could have.
Let go. May I speak? Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Come on there. Hey, yo. body, man.
Let people man go. I want to see people man. Let them. Look at one. Let people man. Let people man.
Oh my. My son. I'm sorry. Come back home now. One man just attacked me. Come back home now. Please.
Mommy.
Come if you come now.
Which one is it?
In the room.
In the Oh.
I'm stressed out. My day are good enough. Bed and everything are nice up, laying up on my bed. So me listen to the heartbeat of my baby inside of my belly, because I just know I'm pregnant, right? When I look, me and one man come up. Stop that people, man. You know, take people, man, and start piss me. Queer.
So you take people, man?
When I remember.
You don't remember?
You don't understand, you know, my son. And I like say me really want to take people, man, but sometimes the man them tell me say them single. Few days after, oh, you know me have one girlfriend, you know me have this nagging ex, me have a baby mother or wife. The man them these days just, they tell too much lies.
You know say you're hypocrite smart, you know? You're hypocrite smart.
What do you mean?
You're hypocrite smart. Why you going to be
You don't understand. I don't
so when you
need it.
when you beat her?
Use him hand. I want to come take our belt like some him son. I mean, she can't have a child properly.
So you make a man with him bare hand and beat her?
You have gun. You have one gun too.
You must know you put yourself in that.
Please, my son, me sorry, say me. You come out, but I make kind of force if you come out still. Please, stay here so with me, don't leave me. My only boy, please.
Yeah, beg your money.
I don't have the money now, but I can't promise you. I don't have the money now.
Well, yeah, I sleep down 2 nights, but not tonight. Yeah,
You can't just stay tonight. I'm supposed the man, you don't love me, not supposed the man come back again.
You know, lock up your house and stay here and go to nobody. Yeah, I go on the road so later.
So I think I must report it to the police. May I take you? Go out of my house, man. Tell us I'm not telling nobody, man. It's just a misunderstanding. These men, these men, they're liars.
They're gone.
Every time, me single. I am single. Can you be my girlfriend? You don't understand. You're still young.
I remember later.
Love you.
Yo,
17.
Yo, what my daughter there?
No weapon up on against me shop.
What my daughter there?
Which daughter?
DNA come true, you know. My daughter there.
You say confirm.
Yeah. Say you not go and can't know. What my daughter, where she there? Where she there now?
She's not here, me say. She not there.
Where she there? Who's part she there?
Where
Where she there?
Up her father yard.
Up her what? Yo, come like she don't respect. Yo, you must. Where you take man for? Up our father. And then they come to already. Yo, where you take man for? Where you take man for? Where you take man for? Where you take?
Hey!
Sit down there so I'm going to talk to you. Hear me?
You know, so for a long time you beat man, you not change though. How many supposed to know so the DNA coming through? So I'm not be talking about no. I want to think how I believe.
You know say you want
you know easy. Hey, look you know. Don't come to my yard. I can't give you a number for call and come up to my yard. But daughter. I'm supposed to know that. I did sure. For a long time you beat woman. Don't do it again.
You know what? See, I come DNA come true now. Not even live, she gonna live up here. You hide my daughter from me all along. Look how she get big now. Eh? I know you come tell me about she there our next father. Alright, man, you not sit back up here now. Let me tell you, yeah.
No, the blood come on. And don't come back, Mandita. There's some left here. I'm gonna breed for next man.
As me I say, baby, don't worry, money be there. I'm a rich dude now. I'm very rich.
Yo. Homie, watch out. You bet some hurt a youth. You know how long me give man my money, my youth, and tell the man to do something for me, brother. And watch out. Yo, you don't know say you can't run favor. And who can hear or feel?
Ready, my daughter.
Sorry?
Good morning.
Morning.
I want to say something to you, but I know why you hate me here.
What do you mean?
You know, if you tell the truth, you know the same man when I say your uncle, when he Jutta Rhyme, the Rasta man.
What name?
You know, say are your real father for true and your uncle?
What?
Yes. The other Rasta man who are man all this time, my name Brian. And your father that a Jutta Rhyme, the tall one who just come from foreign.
So what he did to me then? Brian?
Just say you half a father, but not your father.
What?
You can't say your step. I know your father that. Cause we just do the DNA test and result come true, so Jutta Rhyme your father, your papa the one day, your real father.
I'm ready to go and talk to you later.
I'm sorry, you hear?
You know what here?
But me never know. You don't understand.